Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Somebody said, "Hi, Raga, how are you?" I am fine. I am good. And how are you? What go on with you? Yo, Shane Mark, I mix up in here, man. I said, what Raga doing a blows. Thick skin and broad back. I said, I can't take beating over here, you know. And yet, you see how the boss, I beat my good shirt. Right? You see how the boss, I beat my good shirt. And I style me, say me in a blouse. I saw we get beaten over here. So it going on, you have to take your beating, you understand? As long as, people not cross certain line, then we have to dry them up and fling them out. Right? But as long as, little beating have to go on, and Raga get beaten too. So yes, a Shane Master. Raga, we are doing other blows there. Who this now? Who they now?
What going, Raga?
You know, so I'm good, my belly full and beer things, me I tell you, so my belly full right now. Probably my belly fuller than your belly.
I lie, I tell me just eat curry goat and fried chicken.
But don't like it. But don't like I don't like it, I don't like it, Look at me say I done me, I go done you just go so boom and come with the counteraction and done me. But don't like it. Hey, me start the show good, Shane Mark beat me now, you come beat me now and all these things. I walk one.
You know you're the boss.
Nah, man, no, you just bust made. Me nah go around the thing. You just bust made with a fried chicken and curry goat. Why? You make my mouth start salivate, me I tell you for real.
Because you're foreign there and I get it.
Nah, you brighty. What the ranky? We don't eat curry goat up here. We don't eat fried chicken up here. We have Jamaicans who cook curry goat good and cook fried chicken good. What a piece of style, man. Hold on. Licious. Licious, big up yourself. My sister, you just subscribe to my channel. Go Licious. Watch it right now. Big up yourself, Licious. You just subscribe to Ragashanti on TikTok. Yeah. Well, big up Licious. So what go on, Kamisha?
Yes,
aside from your belly full. Aside from your full belly.
All right.
Wow.
So but they are from what they want, they want to look at this and mix up.
Yeah.
We used to talk to one boy.
Yeah.
One big artist, man.
Yeah.
Cousin. Him then have the man video them and all kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Big artist we are talking about.
But the boy we are talking to was a cousin of the big artist. Well, a DJ or singer?
I'm a singer and DJ. My DJ.
My DJ. No, but you know, say you kind of hesitate. So it could have been like a sing jail.
I wonder if I can call him now. Sing one song said, "Just give me the ride."
Just give me the ride?
We left it there so now.
Wait, just give me the ride? No, you know, say I want song where them young people I know and whatever. You have to take time with me,
A long time song that Raga.
Oh, okay, me know.
From in a 2000.
All right, me know which one you are. Just give me the well. And a ride, one I know, darling, and a ride do I know, but me know which song you talk now, yeah? But on a ride him say, you're a light him say, yeah?
Alright.
You see a chamba man song. Alright, go on, yeah, send on, so I'm cousin.
So I'm cousin now, say them own some big hotel, right? Them own some hotel.
Yeah, that family there, yeah. No, they own enough things in that you don't even know, but them own enough other things. But yeah,
So he used to always come down here to me. My friend set him up for me and him talk, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
But when I realized the boy don't like beard.
Him not like beard?
Like him ever day in a hot clothes, you know.
Yeah.
But him nasty, him no beard.
Jesus God, Atan nasty, don't.
Him
Atan
stink.
dirty. Jesus. Atan frownsy?
Oh, me, I get to know, say him really frownsy like that, you know. Say him really no beard, you know. One day, we go up and say we are touch the road. Anyhow, we go up and one of them tell them, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
See me, I get the boy a piece, so they take a stop. Me have cold. I have sinus, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, because of the bike we ride on,
Mm-hmm.
you know, me start sneeze.
Mm-hmm.
But say we got 30 to our way. You know, try the 69.
Yeah.
So, you know, say we go some did it. It
G-
was a sneeze.
Nah. Jesus.
Bust a sneeze now.
No, but why you sneeze?
don't come
Are
up
the
now.
same make you sneeze?
I'm a sinus allergy. My allergy does act up.
Your
You know?
allergy act up and thing. Jesus, yeah.
So the sneeze when I sneeze, you know, say I be a piece come.
What? Oh God.
So the,
So well,
wait, me nah laugh. So a baby shoot out quick. So the man did it, me think me I try ease up and him a jam me down more. So him a drink it up. So like me I turn and I say, mm-mm. So if he must feel like I come back up, so he might try get all of the juice. So anyhow, with him
no,
done
well
with him
on,
do
well on,
and
well on,
when
well on,
time
well on,
turn
well
around,
on, well on, well on. We have to go fix up that. We're not really going on them. We're not really going on them details there, you know, but you have to go fix up. Yeah, we're not really. One sure what I'm
fix
gonna
it
do
up.
once a week. Later on down, you can go in on them. But for this, you know, we know, yeah, not going on details with that. But anyway, him just, you know, him not too the hygiene thing, him have challenges there, though.
Very bad.
So how that end up now with you and him now? After them details
See,
they go down.
no, it's either for done, it's either for done. You see that same night there, from that same night there,
Yeah.
everything done. Because you see the boy take off him shoes.
Mm-hmm.
The whole hotel stink, me lock off the AC.
Mm-mm.
Me I push him for go beard. And he look like him afraid of water, hot water there, you know.
Yeah,
The
hotel.
boy don't want beard.
No, the hotel, them with them one are some nice hotel. In fact, one of them hotel are my favorite. I'm not gonna tell you now which one. But anytime I go to Jamaica, I like that hotel because it's very nice and classy, but it is secluded. So when we go there and, you know, nobody know, you know, me can one little corner
Yeah.
and it's
So you know
central.
say hot and cold, warm water.
Yeah, man, them have everything. It's
So
a
if
modern.
you're cold at the cold water, you're afraid of the cold water, just go in at the warm water, no, sir.
Yeah.
Boy, stink for days. You see, one time the underpants drop off, me have to tell him to go wash himself. Me
But
say
well,
in
I
the
know, well, I
body
know.
roots, stained with dirt.
You know the what route? You know the what?
The crutches root, this so.
No, what you say a
when
while
take
ago.
off
What
the
you did say before, what you say?
The body root.
Let me tell you something. Me love Jamaican people. I love you, you know. God know, I love you. You know what? I just keep it moving. I'm not going to ask. I don't want you to even try to define and tell me what exactly is the battery route. I don't want to know. No, I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. But yes, in other what you say around this, so like not really clean, right?
It dirty bad man, it dirty bad.
Nah, but I have to ask you this door, because, you know, without any details, I'll give you no details of what happened, but since I saw him stay, but you say you and him do some things.
Yeah.
So how you manage through that?
Because me have forced himself to go beard, say, you know, say, him did him go wash it. Wash it, somebody say, yo, you have to go use that, you know, and them something. I have to put on the rubbers. I'm afraid of the boy, man.
So you did go back there, so
Afraid of him.
tell me say you never go back there, so.
That's them no go back. Me
Okay.
done with him, and all him a ask my friend them, him right come round at my yard. Him terrorize my mother wish for me there every time anytime me hear the big bike I come, me run go hide all underneath the bed. Him couldn't find me.
All right.
My block him and everything. When him use him friend them phone and call me, but make my brother answer and cuss him like say I'm a man. So him did have to allow me alone. Everybody ask, what make you and him them? And I call him name.
No, call him then. No call him.
What make you and him left? What make you and him left him? The boy say him like it, the boy say him this cause him like good enough. But the boy stink all that. Me say one time him take off that. When you see the amount of dirt with in the condom.
Wow. All right. Well, I'm glad you take away yourself from that. It sound like somebody I say if him have money, yes, him have money. She did don't tell who him related to and whatever and really. So him have money.
Him have money, of course.
Yeah, man, him have money. The whole of the family they have money.
Left the money and everything. And I love money, you know.
And you love money and you have to let go.
Me love money bad.
It just wasn't worth it, right?
No, the money they real stink.
When it gives new definition to, you know, when we say what heap of money in a ghetto, we say, yo, him have him dirty money and things. So, all right. Anyway, big up yourself here.
All right, take care.
All right, cool. That was interesting. All right. Me have two mix-up phone, you know. Based on the show yesterday, me get two good mix-up, you know. So the thing them go, you know. Good. Hoi.
Raga!
No, man, I can't hear the show in the background.
I turn off my radio.
Okay, cool. Because I just said I got to disconnect you, you know, because I did mash up my business. Where I go on? Me still I hear it, man. You never turn off nothing, man. You go around me.
So,
me still I hear it.
I turn off my radio, but I can't hear you now.
What you mean you can't hear me now?
I don't understand what it is.
No, she not poor thing. Take time with her. She not understand me. You have to talk in her phone. What you mean you turn off the radio? Me not dep on radio. I phone me dep on.
Yes, but I am. Oh, hold on. Let me take it off this the car phone.
Yeah, take me off my car phone, man. Yeah. Poor thing. Take time
Okay,
with
that was the problem.
Yeah. All right. Yeah,
How are you doing?
Yeah, hear me now, Putus?
Yes.
All right, then, my darling, dear heart. My dear man. You know, so I bless her highly favor. Me feel healthy and strong and thing all earlier. Me did feel look horny too and all these things. How you do?
I'm all right. I'm at work.
You at work?
Yes, my job is flexible, so you know.
Okay.
I'm a piano teacher. I teach piano, and I'm a nurse as well.
Oh, you teach piano?
Yes, I'm a musician. I went to college for it in England.
Okay. And you're calling me from England, correct?
No, I'm actually calling from Florida.
Oh, you're in Florida now? Okay, but me still hear look like a British accent there, you know?
Yes, we have 3 accents.
Yeah, 3 accents. Jamaican, British, and which other one?
A Floridian. I'm a Floridian.
So then we had Florida have accent? All right. Yeah.
The son of Florida, I'm calling him Yankee. The Yankee accent, so sometimes we can talk Yankee, you know?
Right. So we're going differently now.
No, I just wanted to know what the topic was. But I guess people talking about Mixup.
Yeah, but usually anytime somebody call and ask what the topic is, it means that them never have anything for say when them call.
Oh, okay.
So I go on differently. Everything balance out otherwise?
Yeah, man, everything all right.
All right. And you behave yourself?
Yes.
Oh,
I'm a Christian, so I have to behave myself.
No, but some Christians are very unruly,
Not me.
Not you. You're a good behaving Christian, right?
I would like to go to heaven.
You like to go to heaven.
Hell too hot. Me and
All right.
Satan are friend.
I'm going to ask you one question, though, before you go, though, okay?
Yes.
Why are Christians so uncomfortable with any discussions about sex when there is nothing in the Bible or nothing from God that says you should be uncomfortable in discussions about sex? Why?
I don't think it's a problem. I don't think there should be any problem with Christian discussing about scientific nature. It's who we are. It's what we. I have no problem with it.
Okay, well, that's cool, because, it go with a lot of conservative Jamaican Christians. They just think,
Yes.
even just discussing and talking about sex, they'll say it's ungodly.
No.
When it has nothing to
nothing
do with
ungodly
God.
about
There is
it.
nothing from God that says you shouldn't enjoy sex, revel in sex, talk about sex, and whatever. And they do not know that the reason why they're like that, it's a hypocritical custom that comes down through our culture from Britain, where
Yes.
you must do all the things in behind closed doors, but it is very distasteful to talk about it in the public. They don't know it's Britain them get it from and not God, right? And a lot of Jamaicans them teach this thing like if you talk about sex, you're commit a sin.
Well, I mean, I'm an educator myself, so when I used to teach, I had to teach sex education as well. So, as a Christian, I'm very open-minded and diverse. So, as long as it's nothing where
Too graphic
you
and
you
raw.
have to,
Right.
be indecent and rude and stuff like that.
Right.
But sex is just something. It's universal.
Indeed it is. Indeed it is. All right, darling. Thank you for those checking in with us today and just giving us a
Yes.
few words and things. You take care down there in Florida, you be careful, all right?
Yes, Braga. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. All right.
Okay.
Take care. Good.
Bye-bye.
Interesante.
Yo, go.
Yo.
Raga.
Yo.
What go on, bro?
There you know family, where I say?
Me there, man.
See it?
Yeah. I go get a little rundown about one pastor and his daughter,
Yeah. Say that.
Yeah, man, one time, one pastor have one daughter I grew up,
The pastor have one daughter grew up.
Yeah, man. So, pastor, they interested if you making daughter married to deacon's son.
Okay, yeah.
but anyway, deacon's son never have sex yet. So,
Yeah.
it's like say, deacon's son, them a go to church and everything and I go on. So them decide to marry before sex. So after they married now, they go to one big hotel if you go spend. So I spend some time.
Right.
So it's like a girl said to the youth, say that her husband knows, say how much time for the week you want to have sex.
Yeah.
So the youth say, boy, I have 7 days out of a week, So he was satisfied with 4. So the first night they would have sex. The second night he would have it. Third night he have it. So the fourth night he still have it same way.
Yeah.
And the fifth night he want.
Mhm.
So when the fifth night cover, you want to take. If the girl say, no, remember, say, this is 4 you want to take. So you do 4 already and it's 5 nights. So here you take. Boy, the way how you sweet in there, I'm going to let him one out of the next week. So when next week come though, the girl decides, boy, you have to take back that one there. So he come like, man, I'll borrow the whole 2 weeks.
But so how you know that? How you know that? How you know that?
Eh?
How you know that?
And the girl, I'm like a friend, man, will tell me, man, where she tell the friend and the friend tell me. You understand?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
But
man.
what kind of thing that? How many times you want, and you're there on a schedule 4 times a week, and you know, you borrow one from the next week, borrow one for next week for using it this week. What kind of idiot thing that?
I think it depends, man, because I never know much about, man.
Oh, and him just get it and thing and it nice though.
And you just get it and it's nice because you never know say it's so nice. So if you like the 4 with it, that okay. But after a while, him go and you know, say 4 no okay, you want it straight.
Yeah, because when you're young and you're just married and whatever, blazings, you know, man, proper blazings. You can't get enough when you're them age and you're young. You see me? All right.
Yeah,
all
man,
right.
all right. Man,
Respect for that one, then, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. All right. Let's see. All right. Good.
The general come and just rinse it quick and fast. No itching. And hey, me have 2 mix-up for you know. Somebody hear the mix-up yesterday with the woman where our best friend go breed for her man and all them something there and whatever, this and that, and the same best friend take her husband, brother and whatever. And from that, you know, people just are calling and I said, nah, make me give you that one are real and real. So I have the something them and I'm soon rinse them. Anyway, the truth, man. I tell you, dog, time I bring you in, you know, you just cut off. I don't even know how I go on this, honestly. Hello?
Me know.
Yeah, you know.
Big up in the Raga.
Greetings, yeah.
Yeah, heal up, man. Bless up.
Yeah.
Yeah, a long time. It's a long time to sell the Raga for radio days now. From the then can't listen again, man. If I'm on a way, man.
New Start 93 FM, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Me on the Raga, me have a boy, me don't have a mix up for a story time, you know, but me have a thing name 2 in 1.
Well, I get a big up sound already. No, I get a big up sound already. I don't know what it is, but yeah, send her, make we hear it. The anticipation.
Yeah, man, this is what my first time using boom, and my first time having blue balls.
Right. For those of you ladies who don't know, blue balls is when a man have an erection for a long time, and when a man have an erection for a long time and him don't get a release, it causes a pain where, you know how a man can never understand period pain. Uno can't understand blue balls pain. Oh, trust me, uno not understand it. I want different kind of pain. I want different kind of pain, all right? So it is commonly called blue balls. All right, go on, talk.
All right, brother. Back in the day, I live in Carolina, you know.
Yeah.
I usually enjoy having in a bonner man.
Mm-hmm.
So this girl and this virgin moving in our area
Yeah.
and rent a place.
Mm-hmm.
But them time they bike now for me right now. It was on a 2 person in my area have bike.
Bike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like look 50 them.
Honda 50?
Right.
Yeah. Long time, yeah.
Yeah, man. So me don't do that right bicycle. And the virgin now we're moving to the area now. I have a bike so him that make 3 man in the area. I don't know that was my area. It was like 2 miles away from my little district.
Yeah.
Right, so but then after pass from my district we got with them I go.
Yeah,
So that was the one, there's a one way in and one way out.
yeah.
Alright, so the man was like, alright, I know phone time, so you have to just watch him man and time and I go away.
Mm-hmm.
Time I have to write to my ear to go away.
Yeah.
Right, so we got some boom now and that time man gone. Well, me going to get a knock off of the day after I get here already, you know. I'm meet the cat in a taxi going to Maple, like a Clarendon.
Yeah.
So we got some boom and we meet in a taxi I go and Maple.
So you and I don't link up already on a dugu
Don't make
already?
you link already, man. Yeah, man.
I want a dugu at least. On a dugu one time already.
Yeah, me make her give me a one knock already and she tell me I vibe so me can't forward. I'm telling me I see man, you know, because I'm telling me, she tell her part me live. Right,
Yeah,
so
man, you tell with that part there already, man. You're going through now.
right,
Go,
so
yeah,
man,
yeah. Get to the
me
meat
can't
and
see,
matter
man,
now. Yeah.
and we don't make a one knock already.
Yeah.
Well, boy is a young champion girl, you know, Reggae. A girl, strong black girl, good looking black girl, you know.
All right.
So I go so boom now, one of my brothers now use the boom.
Yeah.
Me never use it yet, I go to him and I tell him and I say, brother, I have a champion, you know, she give me a one knock on this. Well, she taller me, but me not too taller myself, but me did go on, you know.
Okay.
So him,
Well, take time. I have to take time with some people, all our listeners. Boom is a pill what Jamaican men take, and it's really a muscle relaxant. But this pill, when you take it, it make you can't sort out forever. You know, come. So it desensitize your body and end up a desensitize your tool to the point where you can't sort out for hours and hours and hours and not come. But, you know, but go on talk, yeah.
yeah, man. So my brother, I said, yeah, man. And me, he never have no boom at the time, so I made him go and me and roll go by the boom. Because I'm a boom man, so I never have boom sale.
Yeah.
So, me, he give me two, but he tell me, say, I want to take it now.
Yeah, sometimes I even half. I have read. I even half if you
Yeah,
take.
but
Yeah.
he said between half and one, but then one is good.
Yeah.
Rather me take it two of them.
You take it two boom them?
You want two boom.
Jesus God. What on? You take boom. You take boom for the first time and the man give two and tell you say only take one, you know, and him even say even half. You say him tell you say he must even take even half of one, don't?
Right.
And you go take it two of them.
You want two boom.
Why you take it two of them?
Me just I say me just boy me don't know. Me just I say boy me a steam up.
Yeah, you just want to chung up then. If I boom, then I could go all out with the boom, don't?
Right.
Jeez and peace. Go and talk, yeah.
So me go so boom down and jump. See, can me see man gone away now.
Yeah, the bike pass you and gone and
Bike
thing.
pass to my area. Yeah.
So you go so boom and drop on the ends for Miss Lady there.
Jump, no man, jump on my bicycle, man.
On your
After you do-
bicycle.
Come into, when the person come see my, I work him going on.
Yeah, man, you tell with that already, man. But just
Right,
get
so
to the
me
meantime
not
matter.
know.
Yeah.
No movie same time I see him. Come here, I say him now come for work till 6-7. Cause them time renew him work time coming back.
Yeah.
So me left my I go to the 5 o'clock hours. I know early than 5, but look after 4.
Mm-hmm.
Right out.
Mm-hmm.
I miss about 2 miles out of riding, you know. The last corner you draw corner and then you see the girl on the house on the street. You see the last corner, me help on the girl house now, me draw the corner and I go up to the girl house, me one bike back and me I come.
Yeah.
When the bike bus the corner, man, the girl man,
Yeah.
it was like one chain away from the girl. That time me and my boom in the record.
Right. And you say about one chain away from our house.
From the girl house.
Yeah.
Right.
And I man that are forward, our man that are forward on the bike. Yeah. And then what happened?
Anyway, I say, alright, you say she not coming so early, man. So me ride, continue ride. Come here and say, anyhow, me see, but me can't know if I was stop, because all the house, it was under him. If him not gonna work, he might carry down the bike. And normally if you put on the yard, you know, consist there, push the bike, we don't have to push it back up.
Yeah, but get to the
But
me
yeah.
time matter, no man, because you know, get to the me time matter.
So
Man.
yeah, man. So after now, me I say, me must know. You know, me see him carrying me bike. Me know say nah, go to but say me park bike up on road.
Yeah.
Him a go way back. So me continue ride passing house. Me see him a push on your bike. So let me say, man, now go back my way.
Mm-hmm.
So me have to turn back now, Reggae, go back to my area.
Yeah.
Now me go to my area now. This girl right in my area, we call them get a bicycle. Right? When me say me never would take up and me not come into girl, me not do it no Reggae.
All right, people, hold on. Again, me have some, why you drop it down? You drop the. Me have some foreign listeners. Them don't call in or whatever, you know, but them listen and them love Jamaica. Some of them there with Jamaicans and thing, and them say, please, you know when, just explain some things to it that we don't understand. So when I come on term, I ghetto in Jamaica is get a bicycle. Unfortunately, it is usually referred to a woman. And then what happened, you know, in a most ghetto, you always have one little bicycle with fling down all about. And everybody ride it. Everybody ride it. Nobody no own it. It was like one little careless bicycle and everybody ride it, right? And unfortunately, them kind of reach a point where them start refer to any woman perceived to be sleeping with a lot of men, she's referred to as a ghetto bicycle. So that him I referred. So you under your boom now, whatever, you draft a lady in your community who is referred to as a ghetto bicycle.
Yeah, me but me no I don't already plan for her. Cause you know that girl don't live with her mother, you know. Well me did live with mother too, but me could have carrying people. But everybody will go to that girl a hide and lick.
Yeah.
Right? Cause me say I get a bicycle.
Yeah.
And she not say no. You know she tell say no a year, she not hear what you say. Right?
When you say what? If she tell you no, she not say no. But if she ever say no, that means that she never hear what you say.
Right.
Oh my God. Oh my God. When you say a beer, yes, come out of here, but
Right.
so any day you hear, you say no. Oh, you never hear what I say, because you said no a while ago. You know, sometimes I can't manage to do it, you know, terribly, you know. God, you can't imagine that one. She tell you no. Nah, man, she never hear what you say, man. Go back and ask her.
Yeah, man, that's
Okay, go on talk. Yeah.
He's long in night long. Come here, I wonder what you too long in the Reggae. Come still on my boom now.
Yeah.
So in night long.
Yeah, tie it up quick now. Tie it up now, man. Tie it up now.
Yeah, man, so she had
Yeah.
And me see her and so my laying game on a colbo. And me see her and me so me can't read. And say read to her and I say she not say no. She say she just ask me so where we are go. So I say nah, don't get some man that I in bush me at be behind the colbo for we take all night. Like come down now.
Yeah.
And my ground so we know the ground.
Yeah.
So you go so boom down and she say alright and put them in the bush.
Mm-hmm.
And when we put them in the bush now, mama go so boom and take off. She have one cap in her Reggae. Take off cap and take and drop her skirt and take off down the store now.
Yeah.
Off and that.
Yeah.
So me you go so now boom and flick out. Say now mama, I can't mama worry, you know. Say now mama worry. Me say mama yeah get big like we stay down bulb. And make one flick in a Reggae. Because I don't need bush the darkness, you know. And mama make one dash off down the bush. If I flick shift the car, I she run off the tap, you know. But when she make us up woman, no, me no move after her. And I say, well, how was that? Mama move down the bush and run, you know, run. And mama run if I cap and I under the same place, you know.
What she run for? What she run?
Mama hold the tool, you know.
So why she run? Why she run after she won it?
Then me I tell you now, them woman them are say yes to man and then see the man to them the big man and make him man get it.
So hold on. So what are you saying about your tool? What does that say about your tool?
Boy, me never take mama say to him can't take this no. But mama when mama hold it, mama transparent in no raga.
So that so basically you're telling us that you have a monstrosity, right? Huh?
Most of the mama say, well, me terrible. Me I tell you, me terrible.
You're terrible.
Yes. So
Well, my people, this is where I tell you, yet another thing from the man, them, you know, we end up as a man think terrible and him shell out this. I be that the man in call and talk about, you know. But anyway, tight up food, tight up.
yeah, man. So yeah, mama run. I'm not telling you, I do for Mixup or a story. No, but that's what I'm telling me. I tell you about.
Yeah, but she run. So she run with and thing and you never get nothing and thing and you under too.
She shut down in the boat.
Yeah.
Me go down in the boat. Me take time I call her. Come here, no nobody here.
No, I'm general. You know, you think gone in a 4 different chapter were unrelated to the central chapter. I can't remember we start with the girl, you know. We start with the other girl. And we're gone in another thing. So what me I say?
That's why.
Yeah, all right, so let me see if we can bring in some other people, man, because this can go on for a long time, you know?
No, man, I put me on the last side.
Yeah, all right, so now the last side.
Yeah, mama run gone. So I'm the rag, I'm just go back, take up the underwear, take up the hat. I'm going to go out and I say, I mean, nobody hear me. So I say, yo, no pee, no hat. No pee, no baggy. So you got to take up 40 night, you know. So me I don't know what you got to do. And me go back to somebody call but Ragashanti no. And now the woman come up, you man hide and go back to highness man, miss the woman. But that is all because it's the first time I have low bars, brother. The night me nearly dead with pain.
All right. Now, say a word, respect for that. You hear, sir?
All right.
Blessing and cool. You know, so I try with the man, they been to the 90% of the mix up them with the man them call it with it. Them end up, you know, with some kind of thing, them hype themselves somewhere, you know, but who them shell out and what big and what. I don't know. No, me I keep it 100, you know, to the man them, you know. The woman them mix up them, you know, they're more varied, yeah, different type. But life full of so much variety and thing. So for you are calling with a one-dimensional thing and whatever, it means, you know, we're not just kind of focusing on that tunnel thing there, you know, right? And there's so much thing and drama and thing going on in a life and all them something there and thing and whatever. And it's like they eye them not talk about them something there. But I know the man them just always talk about how them things stay and what them mash up and uffa man, woman them sort out and all these things. I don't know. So I'm going to start drawing out now, you know, make you know what go on, you know, say, yo, the thing set away, you know, not for vary the thing, dog, you know, talk about woolly pass sitting where going in our life, man. Yeah, and talk about all some bad something what happened to you, man. Yeah, right? We can't just, you know, I come with the one thing, same way, so, you know. Is X-Man mix-up, X-woman mix-up, or any other mix-up we want to have. Also, if anybody want to win a ticket to my birthday party, Ragabash, yeah, September 20th, Saturday, September 20th, Amazura in Queens, at Amazura in Queens. When you come in, you can just say, Ragama want to win a ticket, and me ask you a question, and if you answer a question, you get the ticket to Ragabash. To my big birthday party and thing, all right? Queen Karen large up, Raga loves you too, boo-boo. All right? So again, anybody who want to win a ticket to my birthday party, Ragabash, to be held at Amazura in Queens, New York, Saturday, September 20th and thing, all right? Just my kuno roast or fry. No worry yourself, man. We go drop a Florida, man, with a party, man. All right? Florida, my place, you know. You understand? Big up all of me North Lauderdale and Lauderdale Lakes people, them, my Palms people, them, my
Good evening, Raga.
Good evening back to you, to Wagwa.
Raga, I love you a long time, Raga.
A lie.
Yeah,
You
I'm
love-
a pitney, I love you.
A lie.
To them
Look.
time that there's something could wet up.
But you say what? What? But you say what? What couldn't what?
Them time that there's something could wet up.
Okay, cause you was little picnic.
There's something could wet up.
Yeah, okay, all right. Okay.
Yeah.
Then. Yes.
But you can't wet up now in Raga.
You can't wet up now, for real? A lie.
Yeah, you can't flood out.
A lie, that are going now, feet down. Things are big, things are going feet, you know. Down.
Me have one story to tell you, Raga.
All right, send on, let me hear it now.
Alright, me do have one friend that I sent Elizabeth. But he have a woman from fine, but she love the things them in Raga.
Yeah.
So our birthday come now and then lock up, you know, world day start out.
Oh, this are the foreign woman?
So world day he have her up in our house, you know.
Yeah.
So he say last one now. The last one now me I hear myself a echo.
Well, and turn down your phone. Turn down the volume on your phone and it will go a little bit. You turn down the volume on your phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
So the last one now.
Yeah.
He end up put it on the back way, you know, Raga.
Yeah, backers, yeah.
So when he taking on them, when he taking on a party jar, you know, he say when he look at beer shit in a woman bottom.
All right. So, okay.
Sorry, vibes cut.
Yeah, same vibes cut right there, son, and couldn't go no further. Don't. And it's still sweet, you, don't. It's still sweet, you, don't. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, me.
Bad.
Yeah, it's sweet, you're bad, man. Then tell me something now. That's why anytime you and him are sort out, you make sure say nothing like that not happening, not say nothing like that, don't it?
No, sir. I don't like that.
What? I know what? Eh?
Nothing I did that, Raga.
Oh, you and him never do nothing?
No, sir.
Okay.
But me love you, Raga.
Eh?
But me love you. Kiss me, baby.
Well, I know. But how much you love me? How much you love me? How much you love me?
To the moon and back.
For real? Eh?
Yeah.
So well, I know.
Yeah, me love you for a long time.
Jamaica, you there, don't?
Yeah, Jamaica sent me a big up.
See, that you don't know I'm a family parish and all these things. So well, I know. So if I drop back at Jamaica now, I'm a screechy and go.
Alright.
Well, I know. Yeah, hear what I say? If I drop at Jamaica, I'm a screechy and go look for you like Ray.
Yeah.
Ray.
You're not a squeechy man, brawling.
What you mean?
You're not a squeechy. You can't do it brawling.
Nah, me not do brawling. Me do screechy.
Oh.
Yeah,
anything you want then. If I squeechy, I do. Me do squeechy too.
You would do screechy too? Yeah, cause I screechy, me don't like people in my business.
Yeah.
So now say me go down there, me draw for you and whatever and say, boy, I mean, you know, whatever, you know, I could go so and go do so. You ready?
Anytime you're ready, Raga Daddy.
Okay. Oh, one more thing, you know. Me a boy, me I want you to do this something with them, you know, that you cool with that?
Yeah.
Eh? No, me say me a boy, I want you to do this something with them. You cool with that?
Anything I want me to do, baby.
Anything?
Anything I want me to do, baby.
All right, big up yourself here. No say a word,
Yeah.
all right? All right, take care.
All right, baby.
Yeah, baby me I get in a end partner, you know. Anything you think she easy. Oh yeah, one come broke out innocent me. You know see me yellow over my head. You know see me yellow over my head. And I go to Fritz, go to Craigtown, and I go to them man. I'm an angel, right? Yeah, I'm a good behaving boy, right? As I'm looking at my face and I say innocence, right? Don't it? Talk it truth. Good behaving boy, don't it? Yeah. Talk it truth. I say Cartel a sample, you know, Cartel are the only person I know can just say something ridiculous and like it take off and start trend, you know? Like, kiss me, baby. Aye, boy. No, I'm a good behaving innocent. No, I can't manage certain things, man. Me lead the, go to the other people. Them. When go take lava and bounty killer and massacre and them people there, whatever. You know, me stay in my look kind of I can't manage certain things, you know. I'm a good behaving boy, you know. Raga is an angel, right? I can't mash hands. You understand? Innocent Raga, talk up to me yellow. Okay. I want Maxine about please. Maxine, how you know about me? Maxine, how you know about me? How you know about Mr. Raspberry Maxine about please? Maxine Armsby, how you know about me? Hello? Be a nice I come out of that. Maxine, you go on like say you know anything about me, you know? Oh, Maxine say hello. Jano. Kimoy, I bring you in before and you never answer, you know. And we there wait and call up a show. X-man mix-up, X-woman mix-up or any other mix-up one have. Any mix-up involving an ex or you can remember.
Raga.
Greetings.
All right. So may I get this a mix-up. Two youth from my community, you know.
Yeah.
Left go Mobile go do some work. Some carpenter work, right?
Yeah.
So I told them, you know, so after they get paid for the 2 week we run off, then go back one back road and Mobile, set them out by some front.
Right.
Anyway, when they go, but the first one go in, cause one of them no love spend money, you know.
Yeah.
So when the first one go in and he say, buy for him and come back out, the youth say, how much you pay for? He say $100 for lay down, you know, and $50 for stand up. So when I feel turn for going here, you know, say a 2 stand up me want do. So when he buy the 2 stand up in the Raga, the next person say, all right then, and go on and buy. You know, so the man go in there after he's done with the woman, the man don't want to pay the money. Say too bony.
It too bony.
He can't pay for that. Yeah, after he's done do for him $250 that $250.
No, I'm sure, well if I that him go for him for pay the woman, man.
Then did have argument, but he did end up paying still.
Okay. Yeah.
But him think he that last longer, like when he said $250 to stand up that, you know.
Okay, so stand up cheaper than lay down.
$100. Yes.
I don't really get it.
You go longer then. You go longer because the lay down, because the guy will pay the $100 come out back too fast. So him say him rather to stand up.
Okay. Okay. All right, that's the word here.
All right, bless up yourself.
Yeah, man, respect, man, cool.
All right.
Stand up and lay down, different price. Wait, someone want to dedicate a song to me? Sound like trouble. You know. Hello.
Raga.
Yeah.
What go on, brethren?
There in a family, we say.
Yeah, man. I'm a piece of Mixup, yeah.
Rinse.
Alright. I'm 62 years old now.
Seeing?
And when I was like 22,
Yeah.
I learned trade with a little virgin there.
Yeah.
But him wife gone to Canada on a vacation.
Yeah.
So me tell me old lady say me was stay with them, you know. So me have a little girl there. Me don't know me can call name Marva. A long time, so you don't know.
Yeah.
Right. Anyway, Marva live with her mother, 1 room, 2 bed.
Yeah.
Mother blind.
Oh, okay.
So one night me in the house, they are ziggy.
What you mean? I shall out Marva?
Yeah man. Ziggy me call it.
Yeah, Ziggy. So yeah, Ziggy Marva. And our mother didn't
Right,
know,
so,
you know?
yeah man, pan another bed.
Pan another bed.
Yeah, so the bed I make nice kind of a long time spring bed where they have the iron headboard.
Yeah.
Bed I make nice, so Lillian say, Marva, what you do over there? Marva say, I turn mama. So she said, the whole bed make so much noise. So me I continue to do my thing. So me hear a knocking on the door. And Lillian, the mother say, who that? And me advise, say, me, Pinto. She said, what you want? She says, as some pussy me want to know.
No, don't.
And buy some pussy.
Hold on. Say, don't use the P word here. Just use another word. So, you know.
All right. As some ziggy me want.
Yeah.
All right. But anyway, in coming and I'm doing thing and me hear my make some noise over there and all of a sudden the mother say, get up off of me.
Hold on.
And he said,
hold on. Pinto over there with the mother?
yes, man. I'm over there with Marva.
Hold on. You over there with the daughter and Pinto over there with her blind mother?
Yes, man.
So you hear them over there, a shellings are going over there?
But must.
All right. And then what you say happen after that, no?
All of a sudden, Dilly and the mother said, get up off of me.
Uh-huh.
And he said, no, me not come here. And she said, me not care, get up. But one pussy in the house, but me never know say one cat in the house. So he jump off of the bed and tap on the pussy and the pussy climb in his face.
Who, Pinto?
He fly. Yes, man.
So Pinto jump off of the bed and go step on the post. Well,
yes, pussy climb in his face.
So Pinto jump out of pussy and drop on post.
Yes, sir.
Listen to him, I can't bother. So when he jump on the puss now, what you say? He puss get and crab up in
yeah,
face.
Yeah, man. And he start cuss over there, you know, and the woman get up. I pick up her cutlass, you know. In the dark, you know, and I feel round for him, you know.
I feel round for who? Pinto?
For Pinto.
For chopping because he got step on her puss.
Yeah, man. And he pay money already, but he never done.
Well on.
But anyway, he fly through the door, so...
Well on. I sell the mother, did I sell front?
Yes, but me never know she sell front.
And when you know, so alright, so she drive for the machete and I move to Pinto now and then what?
I remember now in the dark, you know, no light no in there, you know.
Well,
because the lamp they use and they out the lamp and they go to bed.
Yeah, but she's blind, so...
Yeah.
All right, yeah, go on, yeah.
But you can't tell that a woman is she's not blind, you know.
All right. So what she do with the machete now?
Me hear the machete lick on the board, the siding, and Pinto fly the door and run out.
Well, them time you still in a Marva?
Me still at ziggy over there, but me have a talk because me hear what go on and me get scared now because I don't know what's ever for me time yet.
If I hear time, I get chopped with the machete.
Yeah.
Well, okay, all right, go on, yeah.
So when everything cool down now, me start do my thing and start ziggy again and All of a sudden, the woman jump out of the bed, and start feel running up, brother. Because the bed make nice, and me have to climb on the headboard. All the way up in this.
Hold on, turn off the phone. Hey, okay. That thing that did that make nice. So go and talk, you know. Yeah, what you say? Yeah.
So when she draw the machine, she start feel on the bed and I go on the board and all kind of thing there. So me have to climb up on the headboard.
Oh, okay.
And the headboard and make nice, and I have to jump over the woman's head and dash through the door like hell.
So you jump over Lillian head and run through the door?
Yes, sir. So the next morning, the next morning, me come out and go on road now. Me tell my boss.
Yeah.
But my boss and Pinto, a cousin.
Yeah.
So Pinto said to him, say, he see somebody over Lillian last night. So they asked him, say, why you do over Lillian?
Yeah.
You know, I tell nobody say I can't go by,
Yeah.
but mix the mark them in my face.
Where the push crab
So
him up. Where the push crab him up.
Yeah, man.
So then,
but I just saw the story go,
No, but why Pinto end up why Pinto gonna tell the boss and see somebody over Lillian last night? What reason did I forgot tell him that?
He don't have no reason, but he hear the bed over there too, because when he go on, me I go on too.
Oh, so when you did that do it, you did that try to do it quietly too. You did that take time, do that look, that look soft something there so for the bed not make too much noise. You did that try do it that
yes,
way?
Sir.
Okay, but,
yes, sir.
But them spring mattress, they're not curious you try, them go shake,
Them a shake, man. All the headboard, I lick up on the wall and all them things there.
But tell me something though. You do know though that people who lose one sense, the other sense them get super sharper than the average human being. So give it a sheep.
Yes,
blind people, them hearing and them feeling and them thing they way more advanced than people who not blind, So say Lillian knows your mama did that do it over there all this time, Lillian I know.
Yeah.
Lillian know.
No, but I tell you, she woman is smart enough. I have a daughter with deaf in 1 year,
Yeah.
And she's sharp, in other senses,
Yeah, exactly, precisely.
Talented, When we tell us that a woman can draw, a girl can draw,
Yeah. See,
so she talented in other areas,
See, the mad thing, man. But big up yourself in a thanks to that one there, yeah?
No watch that, man.
You can't miss my big nose, because everybody knows a Raga nose big. Yeah, Raga nose big. I'm proud of my big nose. Yeah, I mean, I tell any woman, say, if me and you involved in that thing, you have to kiss my nose. You have to give my nose a good kiss. That me I tell you. Any you don't want to kiss my big nose and all them something, me I got a problem. Yeah, me I have a problem, You have to at least chup the big nose. That me I tell you, yeah. Don't go around the thing and go and like say, oh, try no say Raga love him big nose. That's how the thing said. Okay. I mean, I tell you something, man. I say, oh, B, someone. People don't know, say, me I eat that, though. Because they know, say, me say fun and ramp and all them something there. So, I mean, I juggle, me I there, whatever, man. I say, B, well, go on. Me I kiss my nose, man. Yeah, go on, son. Come kiss my nose, man. Come kiss my nose, man. Yo, when I can't stand and enjoy on the life, yeah, I make the world a stress, and thing about me a big old man and thing, see how me look like, say, like me look like, not me age or whatever. Yeah, because me now make stress get the better of me, for do the same. I make no problem on the stress get the better on them, man. Enjoy life, no care what I go through, take care of the responsibilities, do right and thing, but enjoy life and don't make stress take over. Laugh every day. Every day, when I feel laugh. That me I tell you no. Laugh every day. And if anybody in your life has stress you out and whatever and thing like that, kick them to the curb. As long as I don't want a picnic, because you know that's something there. If I want a picnic, a different thing, juggle with it, But if them big and old to one thing, shift them one side to and whatever. Greetings. Hello.
Big up yourself right here. What go on, Raga?
But there, you know, what you say?
Hey, you know, say me about the good thing, I'll tell you what go on.
Rinse.
You know, big up there.
Yeah.
Hey, I say, me's a countryman, you know, so, you know, say, really a country in the 90s.
Yeah.
I know, say, them time there, me's a summer that, me's a more younger man than now, you know, so, you know, say, them time their wife not regular.
Them time they what?
No, front we attack. When I get front regular, them time there, you know.
A war, yeah,
Once a while.
Yeah, once a while they get look at Jojo. No, okay,
Yeah,
all
them
right.
time there, you know. So, you know, say, in a country, some girl get burned out, some girl get burned out of town. So,
Some-
whole family. So, they run to come a country.
Oh, okay. Things reach them a town and them run go a country, go
Yeah, man.
cool out. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, man. So, I talk about 15 girls and some man, too, you know.
What you mean about 15 girl? What you mean?
So, our whole family at town run away, come a country, come live. Like, something happen at town where they can't stay there for run away.
Okay, so yeah, enough time them think that in a community and thing, you know, and they don't want to kill them and things, so the whole family have to let go and thing. Yeah.
So they run away, come a my community.
Yeah.
I mean, look at some whole heap of house, I go like ants, some little box house. Some get on into one place and get in at no time.
Mm.
And so, you know, so the man in the area, I say, he just some whole heap of woman come up at the place, they want to go check it out, you know.
Yeah.
So me go up there too, you know.
You go up there too?
Yeah, man, and see a nice girl, you know, one nice. Enough of them, you know, but me see one special one, you know, a pretty little one, you know.
Sure. Yeah.
Me just jump on the car and I talk to her,
Yeah.
you know. And she agrees with me, so me see one man sitting beside her.
Mm-hmm.
So me I say, I would a man there.
Mm-hmm.
He must say a free man when he run with come down here.
Okay.
So me say, are you have me as a talk, so?
Yeah.
He say, the man are no idiot.
She said the man are what?
You know, say the man are no idiot, so he can't sit over here so talk and think no way.
Okay.
That time she had tell me the things I want to hear, you know.
Okay,
So-
she give you some good talk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she said, the man I go with like tomorrow, man, so no pay him no mind.
Yeah.
You know, but she now go with, she go stay.
Yeah.
So you know, say the day and the girls come check him back like tomorrow.
Yeah.
That time enough more man hang out there around with different women, you know.
Yeah, cause a world of woman they touch down.
Yeah, world of woman coming to say, you know, man.
Yeah.
So me go to a little board house so they make up with that other day we go now go check him and she invite me in a little board place so they make.
Yeah.
And me go in there, so I saw a board place so you can look all through that crease and see one next man over there, so that woman over there, so you know.
Yeah.
Like a camp out.
Yeah. All right.
So I mean, they don't want, my woman, they don't want money for me, kind of start telling girl come a country.
Uh-huh.
You want money for me, so they said, if you run piece or something for me, you know?
Yeah. For you give her a food for it though, don't.
Yeah,
She want
yeah.
her money, yeah. Okay.
So me start the ball around, you know, in the house, you know?
Yeah.
And I say, me never see nothing like them before me born. Them the girl are not shame me, no, man. One nice girl making a middle day. So me I say,
Well, I know. Wait, what you say, the town girl, what you do now, whatever. What you say you never see from the
I
day?
talk about-
What kind?
me never see no girl behave so outlaw. Because I say a country man, country girl behave kind of way, you know?
What you say, the country girl, them time they them the quieter, don't and more discreet.
Yeah, nah,
don't-
if you do something, nobody now know.
Nobody now knows. So what the town girl did that going with?
Yeah, man, me now house, me I start out, man, I shall ball out like I'm a dead.
No,
Yeah,
hold
but I mean,
on. Me need to understand. Help me out here. Just kind of make some of my sound them what she didn't make them. Like, give me a sense. Like,
No, man, I'm a man. You can't make human sound, man.
no, me does okay, all right then, cool. But what she under the
I'm
tree?
moan, man. She a moan and grown, you know? And
Yeah.
that, you know, sweetheart.
So when you hear that now, you say it shock you because you say country
Yeah,
woman.
me
no-
I say, people that are doing up. You can't make them overnight in the house. I must say, so she I say, if them not grind too.
If
I saw them you know. So me kind of feel shame, you know, because I used to them brawling behavior, you know.
Oh, you know, used to woman and make them only panize and when you start
No. Brawling behavior. Everybody that's close by here.
Everybody that close by, cause once people that close by, you have to hold it down and kind of stay quiet. No.
Exactly.
And nobody allowed it up them here. Yeah.
So me did then I go on with myself and I go on myself. So my ball out loud and so me loud knocking on the side of the board. Where to me, you know, I say, B, this is better not. The guy said, what do you worry, cat? I'm to know we alone, no? I saw sharp, baby.
Oh, yeah. Somebody knock or whatever, she say, what the BB clot or whatever. You know, see, we in here, dash out. Yeah, I'm going to do on that. Yeah, man. That town something there. Yeah, that town, that ghetto town something they don't.
Ghetto thing them, you know?
Yeah.
So, when we take a second, our brother, you know?
Yeah.
So, you know, no discipline of this bomb, but I said, I go and knock up the place with my machine.
I saw the brother go on.
Yeah, man, the brother, a big man said, you know.
Yeah.
But the brother, they most down here. He never run in down here for a long time.
Yeah.
So I'm a kind of discipline man more. You know, you see them something there.
Yeah.
Film sister, you know.
Yeah.
So the man say, yo, let's cut out them rubbish out. And then, but me did no one and calm down back. And when I will start the ball roll again, you know.
Jeez, man, thing. So you
starting nice again, you know.
You send it up again and thing and whatever, and be nice again, don't.
Yeah, man, you got starting nice again. So me here, I look like something I walk on the house top, you know. You could zinc, them the zinc on nail down, just turn on some zinc and put on some stone and black and wood.
Yeah, we know that style. Zinc on top and black on it, yeah.
So we not pay no mind, you know. So me did it. I go on with myself, you know, I go on. And we had to walk in from the house top. I remember that day I go on again and make it nice here, you know. When me take a stack, man, draw his thing over my head. I said, take out on override, not fan down there. So me look up and shoot nice sky, me I look. I shoot nice sky.
So I said, true, India sort out and make so much noise. Him go up on the roof and take off his zinc off the roof.
His zinc over my head, man. And him say, boy, I saw shoot, I'm shooting at you. And I run out with pants in my hand.
Well, him say, me shoot you.
Yeah, man, I say, man, he say, boy, come out with disrespect, you're not all blood. I say, my baby, you know.
So
once you say my talking, I say, no shame, look.
Jeez, so what you do? You jump out of the living room and run?
I run through one back room, I run through one yam grung, man. That yam grung, the weed, clean. I move fast through it.
So hold on. So you didn't put on your underwear, do?
Put on one, man. Put on one, man. You must have to grab everything in my hand and run out, man.
Then hold on. You run out with your body out in here and run.
Yo, me must say, man, over me, do them sitting there and say me shoot, you know. I'm not used to them sitting there.
You know, you used to them something there and think them town people that come a country with them bad gun, bad behavior, gangster behavior. So you run through the yam gong naked and thing and whatever with your clothes.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna go to some bush in the back of the house, in the back of the yard, you know.
Yeah.
I'll put on my clothes.
I'll put on your clothes around there.
Because for my shoes.
So hold on. So one time, when you see the zinc tear off, you must say, "Poopa, Jesus!" How you just?
Yeah, man. You know, and the man me sit up there over my head, the man.
Yeah.
Run off.
And I tell you, say, "I'm shoot you and all them."
Shoot boy.
So you just let go.
And when me over the bush, me hear this sister, you know, the dirty boy watch me. I'm a cuss back and sister afraid of me, you know.
Oh, she not afraid of him because she a cuss him and thing.
Cuss him back and watch me. Why you want me there with you and everything? I'm tell you, man.
And that's what she deal with her brother. She's like, you're going like you want like you want me to come do so
with me and them with it.
Yeah, and whatever, you're there the pony watch, man. I watch
out, them the talk, them, you know.
I watch out the thing and whatever. So after
I hear the girl, no?
Yeah.
You come over the bush and I hear me say, you know, I make my money.
So weird. And that she said to me, I go like, you know what, I make my money down. Yeah, you know, I can run on my food and I scare with my food and I frighten with my food, no.
That's what I say. But they get a glance, look, I never get no money. But I left my shoes.
Oh, you never get for gear no money because, okay, she never collect first.
No, come take my clothes and run.
Yeah, she never collect first. She never collect
first. I left my shoes.
You left your shoes. But you
Me
never
shoes
go
to
you never
so
go back
me
for
never go
your,
back for that. Me never go back for
nah,
that
you
day.
don't go back because you may get a chop. You understand?
We live that. But me get my shoes still, but a long after.
How long after? Okay.
Mm.
All right. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself here, sir.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Respect for that one there. True, you tell, man. The way you tell the story, a true, man. It goes some, man. All right.
Yeah,
Protection. Cool.
Big up yourself.
Yo, you see that thing that one just do? I'm very observant, okay? So then, I tend to observe little look of something. Like, and a whole heap of people in the world shake up them ice in them glass like we, you know. It sounds simple, but I've traveled all over the world, and you know, we love do that something that, believe it or not, and a whole heap of people do it, you know. And a whole heap of people sweeten tea by going with the spoon. You go clunk, 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 clunk. You know, we sweeten tea, and we go clunk, 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 clunk with the spoon. Most people, and then them are sweeten anything, them just do the usual twirl, which we do too. But a lot of Jamaicans will do that look of something that, it's not only for people do that, you know. And a while ago, I go, it may sound corny. It may sound corny. But I know a whole heap of people do that. But it's something I learned as a child. You know, going up, you go, it's not done as much as it used to do before. But and then there's a thing what Jamaican women do when them attack, which my theory is that come down from our ancestors, right? When Jamaican women attack, particularly if them attack about something good, them do a thing where they got, me can't do it. You don't know when me attack, if a Jamaican woman tell you something nice, even since evening, yeah, there's several, a couple do it, you know? Like a Jamaican woman, I say, when me go down there, I say the blows, me can't do it. You don't know when me attack, don't know? I mean, wait no man, me go tell her the rest of it, man. And then the boy come over, that look on, but when Jamaican women do it, it's louder, right? But there are several African groups, ethnic groups, they speak part of their language, they do that. You know, in South Africa, I think it's a Zosha, what they want to name. There's several groups in the motherland, in Africa. When they speak, there's certain words. There's certain words that they say, so they do that snap thing with the tongue and the mouth and whatever. That little click sound there, right? It's called what? Somebody say it's called Clusa, right? Queen Nash, big up. So I think, you know, what Jamaican women do when they're speaking, clearly it's not part of our vocabulary in terms of vernacular, you know, in terms of words, like it is in Africa. But I think my best guess is it's a derivative of that. But even that, you know, when them attack and them in them element or something, I say, girl, me say, walk up 2 hours say, and my just, you know, that something that, it's not many, I don't see other people across the world who do that thing there too much. And then we have another thing, one last thing before we go to that. And it's simple, but I don't see a lot of people hit them body the way we hit our body when we are talking about something, particularly if we're excited about something. There's this whole rhythm of hitting our bodies that we do. When we are talking about, you know, like the Italians, them all of the culture have them thing. The Italians do the papaya, them have this thing where them doing them two and papaya. We have a thing where we attack and you have to lick your body. You have to lick your body, you know. You know, if we're angry or if we are excited. So if it's angry and we are cuss, oh, you have to promise me that. That me I tell her, you have to promise me that. That nah work. And, but even if it's something pleasurable too, that hitting the body, that me say, after me walk over there, I think I see the jerk, but I think me say, alone laughing, me that part, alone laugh. We always a lick body. Not many cultures do the same thing and lick them body all the while, you know? So what I'm sharing with you spontaneously is for you to appreciate that all cultures have coded actions in their behavior that are shared significantly across the group, and it's cultural. You know, so different groups evolve different body language in communication. And unconsciously, when we are listening a fellow Jamaican and them Augusta, whatever, they're communicating that excitement of whatever it is, they're speaking of, you know. And it is for me, an academic, a scholar who studies these things, you know, in my framework as an anthropologist. These type of things are just fun for me. I can pick out a Jamaican based on them gesticulation. If me see that them attack for a while, or them walk and or them gesticulate and thing or whatever, I can pick out a Jamaican. But it's the same thing with African Americans and, you know, different groups and, you know, African Americans. What's up? What's up? What's up? You know, them do for them look a thing too and whatever, you know. And them have this look a circular thing with them do all the while. So, you know, all these different groups have their own little set of coded actions in their behavior. And certainly, Jamaica certainly is no exception in that regard, you know? And it's just fun to observe these things and to kind of catalog them in your mind and study them. And, you know, we're a cool set of people. No wonder people love us, so don't. Yeah.
Good evening, Raga.
Yeah, good. Well, I mean, I know I'm going with TikTok. Me I hear you, but me not see. It not sure. Okay. What go on?
Good day, I know.
All right, hold on. TikTok not bring it up. So, which one you under? Are you under Candy Cassie?
Truth.
Candy Cassie.
No. Because somebody there didn't. Okay, me take it down. See, that the nice gone. Truth. Okay, talk to me now.
All right, so me not really. I'm a quiet girl, you know.
Yeah, hold on. You can move her from the TV behind you.
I'm a baby with the tablet.
The baby with the tablet. Okay, yeah.
Go inside, Baba. Here. Go.
Yeah.
You better now?
Yeah, man. Much better now. Yeah, talk to me.
All right, so I'm going to give one little mix up about one man who me used to talk to.
Yeah.
So, me used to talk to this man, you know. He said me didn't love him, boy, you know. He said me love him, boy, me love him, boy.
Hold on, we still at your baby tablet here.
Me get pregnant.
Hold on. Hello? We still at your baby tablet loud.
Wait, no. Pregnant.
Hello.
Yeah, you hear me?
No, we are here, you know, but we still at your baby tablet loud here. It pick up the sound loud.
All right, you hear me better now?
Yeah.
Dearly?
No, we are here, you know. We just hear the baby tablet loud too, you know. But, you know.
So me ask you if you hear it now.
Yeah, we still hear it, but go on. Yeah.
Me don't know, maybe the surrounding me in a kind of noisy because maybe they gone inside and outside.
Yeah, but go on talk. Right, yeah, go on talk.
Yeah, so me say, me didn't love the boy, you know.
Yeah.
Get pregnant for the boy and sit. Brother, true me pregnant and no one no loving from the boy. You know, so the boy got cheat from me. But here the artist thing now, no? Him go carry the little batter years girl in a week. Them time they want look one room we live in, you know.
Yeah.
Him carry the little batter years girl in the room.
Yeah.
You know what happened now?
What?
After him look like him go give the girl the sort out and the girl love the sort out, you know.
Yeah.
The girl start call on my phone. So me I say to him, say, who I call on my phone? He must say, him no know who. The girl called on my phone and said, dirty stinking reggae boy. After you came in your house, your woman have one big placard picture put up over there, so your underpants are medium. You put me up there, so, and you cut me on there, so. Me said the girl tell me every single thing.
Yes, she have a receipt, so she did in there for true. So she had give the details.
Because as you go in the room with the Raga,
yeah,
there's a big plaque on me the game.
Yeah. You did give a plaque? Yeah, go on.
So as you enter the room, you see it. Mr. Goods give me every single information from start to finish. And you know me now with my little mix-up self. Me put the phone on speaker so I can hear everything. Time that can go somewhere night.
Yeah.
Mr. Man drive up the car, speed up the car, and tell the girl where I'm going to analyze her and where I'm going to do. From that, I don't place back up on the girl because somebody tell me that the girl take plane and gonna for him.
Well, and so with him did answer right there in the car when he carry you?
Yes, and I tell the girl if she shut up her mouth and she told damn lies. Every time I tell the girl that, the girl bunny else with something else and dash out more secret. The girl said, you did tell your mother if you go down her baby mother. Me said every single thing.
But what she did vex about now? What she did vex about? That what him did tell her like?
She left him so she could have get him. Because usually pass and through what people tell me, you know, but true me so in denial and in love, me ain't recognize we are gone.
Jesus.
So when good sister not now go and fear, we know she just decides that she go just take charge.
But when she did that call your phone the first time, what she did just did that? What kind of she did that talk to you them time they not style you?
Yes, man, I tell me, say, dirty girl, if you could be clean, your cock would tree and she tell me something.
If you cook, why Jamaicans ever go to say, if you cook did clean, your cock would straight. I think, yeah.
The lady tell me, say, when me think say my man there work, and he tell me say I do over shift, I fear yard in there, and at the $500 she did lie. Me say I couldn't give up because I the way me shame a ball.
What she said, the $500 she did lie?
Yes, the $500 she did lie.
This is in Jamaica, right?
Yes, Raga, Jamaica.
So well, she call her cuss you, right? But when she cuss you, I said she didn't like the $500 what she get from him when she had that show.
Yes, she like the $500 what she get from him.
She had done you and that she used to done you.
And that she get.
She idiot. Are you there, girl? A fool.
You about out in about them the kind of me tell her say me did young boat in my early 20s.
Yeah.
Grew up Christianish, you know. So
yeah. You never know if a pepper or scotch bonnet at them time they don't.
I never know me tear off. Yes.
You tear verbally, you mean with lyrics, right?
Verbally.
Yeah, with lyrics, right? No, so also she, you know that style too, when them start take a man with a woman, them start call a woman for frighten her, for she run and all them something and whatever and things. So she start style you. So hold on, so when you tell him now what him do, what him tell her what him did done with her and that makes you vex.
Yes, because the first time when she started calling me, I said somebody call me. And one day, I think we didn't go somewhere. And I said the phone, I ring out my answer. I feed up on the phone and I style me and dirty girl, what from my phone. And then we there.
Yeah, no.
Me attack him from this and me don't know the conversation with him and him have.
Yeah.
So it looked like him just started drawing from her because my mom pregnant with his daughter.
Right.
You know?
Sure,
I don't know the other part of it. Me have a friend and she linked me up on a boy. And I said, like the boy in a Reggae, and I say me go hide and give back the boy some after me have baby. And then I tell him.
Hold on. When your friend did bust up on that boy? When?
About 2 years after me baby born.
About 2 years. No, but you said when you have your baby, you go back and get the boy peace. I mean, I understand.
No, man. Me say when me have the baby, 2 years after, me have one friend where they have a man friend when me did like.
Right.
So, one night now, me decide say me make up my mind, you know, because when they do me never sit well with me, you know. And me just go burn him back.
With the link where your friend gave you?
Yes, with the link. And then me tell him when me do.
Will you tell him for?
What you mean by me tell him for? Because I want if you burn him like where they burn me.
So you did want to left him? You did want to left him?
Yes. I mean, me left him, but me left him with that The night the boy call me up, Raga hold me by my neck and tell me what I'm going to do to me.
Okay, so they just want revenge.
Yes, man.
Okay. So when I say years later, that bond did still a bond you to the point where you say you did want
I never feel nothing bond me, so you hate nobody never do me nothing wicked, so you hate in my life.
So wait, are they bonded bond you? Or are the type of woman who him they go bond you with? Are they disrespect? Why? Eh?
The disrespect will come with the bond.
Okay. All right then. So even if him did that bond, him should have governed him thing just so that not reach you, know?
Man, you can't have a man from give bond in a Raga. But you have to control your concubine them, or you have a road.
What you say woman can't stop man from give bond, no?
No.
But the man for control him concubine them a road. Him for govern him things so that no disrespect no come back on you, though.
Road no say listen, I'm a woman that I'm yard. You can't trespass this up.
Oh, I'm for hold that there.
Cause first of all, how she even get my number? For sure you say me na hold up no order.
Okay, me see where you say. Yeah, him for govern him things so that them disrespect them no reach you and all them things they don't.
Yeah, and up till today, day that boy see me, he still talk about me first be a mother, me no look for him where I go. Go away. After when me do after end to me and when me do back to him, crazy.
Right, done with him. All right, big up yourself, you know, safety and protection, you know, and thing. Right, Jamaica you yell from, right? Eh? A Jamaica you call from, though? Oh, she not. She let go. People them sound they wanna hear and I call Peeny Wally. You know what I mean? Used to call him Peeny Wally too. I want to call and them, you know, hot and spicy tell me say I'm a Peeny Wally in a bullfrog. But yeah, me a town man, me come from town and me see people them I say I told. They're frogs, yes. Yeah, all my life. When me grew up, it's Peeny Wally. That people tell me say them sound like say Peeny Wally. About must say 2 years ago when me I do a show, when I'm a caller them, hot and spicy, my long time caller them. Cause every time she call and whatever, boom, 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 me hear them out. So me I say Peeny Wally, you know, cause she come from up in the St. Andrew Hills, them round the Irish town, Garden town side. And think we up somewhere up there, so. I think up there somewhere near Maryland, I believe it or not. And I saw she said, no, the bullfrog them. I said, no, the Peeny one. And she said, no, a bullfrog them. And I said, bullfrog? And she said, yeah, then a frog make them sound the way we town people always are called Peeny Wally and thing. A frog them. See it right there in the chat. All right. Crickets too. Somebody has said crickets too. Me, where them tell me say I frag them. So most of them are toad and frag or whatever the case may be. The other thing, you know, when the brethren bossy thing on the show last night and say, yeah, I'm running a one drop straight toilet and whatever. I say something on about, cause the reaction from me was drop straight toilet, one name so, whatever. And when I realize a pit toilet I refer to, but me never hear that term about drop straight toilet. And I see somehow know I beat me. Can't believe you never know say I drop straight, know about that name, the drop straight. But I'm glad I see so many other people say them never know say pit, another name for pit toilet was drop straight toilet. So you see me post a Mixup on my TikTok wall and thing and whatever and thing. And of course it means that when you use the toilet, whatever you let out, it drops straight. No, but enough people never know. See that? Enough, if you see them a beat me, Rock, I can't believe you never know that. And Ray. A whole heap we never know say another name for pit toilet is drop straight. Right? Enough we never know that there's something there. Me never know it. Yesterday me learn it. That's a drop booth. Yeah, somebody else say, yeah, say it name drop booth too. Going at the drop booth toilet. See, there's several people that say drop booth. Me never know them. I've never heard that in my entire life in a Jamaica. And my mother said me go country. Every summer we go country. And a pit toilet we have to use. Well, back in the day, you know, pit toilet would have to use. And then I'll pity my little ants bite me up. I use pit toilet. Pity my little ants. Them ants, they are wicked, you know. Them ants, they are murderer, them, you know. Oh, hello? 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 Yeah, them ants, they are wicked, man.
Hello?
Yeah?
Reggae, me kind of have some connection issue, you know.
Yeah?
Yes, so good night, Reggae.
Yeah, man, good night. But talk, no?
Alright, me kind of have a little story about probably, I don't know, too spicy, me I know, but me just say. Alright, get up and go, but probably phone a pick up a little bit.
Yeah.
Alright, so when I was about 16, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, me don't know if it a echo back. I don't know if it a echo to you, but it a echo back to me.
No, it not echo. We hear you clear. So what you're gonna do is turn down the volume.
Alright, so
Turn down the volume on your phone a little bit, all right?
Alright, let me turn it down.
And you will hear it a little bit.
Alright, so when me about 16, you know, my grandmother used to have a cook shop out on the road.
Yeah.
So I have one cousin which I don't know if anybody on here know like the newspaper people them used to sell some little book with poems in it.
Some book with poems in them?
I don't know if nobody know that.
No, but go on that. Since you have connection,
Alright,
just
so,
tell me the thing, yeah.
Like persons used to come around there, come by, you know, so I'm bench there around there. But other persons used to sit down and eat and whatever. So sometimes when you read the book, them and left them around there, people always come and looking at it. So one time pastor come around there and pastor see the book. Lord Jesus Christ. Pastor see book. So me sit down around there beside him, you know. And pastor said to me, say, like him a show me the book, you know. Like one part, you know, like some oral something I go on there. So
some oral something I go on?
yes, right. They say in our book.
In our book?
Part of book there.
Somebody a swipe somebody a swipe somebody.
Yes.
Was it a man a swipe a woman? Or the woman a swipe? Okay. And the pastor show it to you?
Yes, he might show it to me. And I say, that you want to do to me?
And that time you were 16 years old?
Yes.
Go on, time.
At the time, probably me can't determine his age, but he never look old. Probably he look like about in the early 30s or so, what me can't remember right now.
Right.
And pastor tell me say, oh, I don't want to do tea and so, you know, me did I look on pastor like what the Elias said to me. So when him gone, you know, me I said to mom, say, like me I tell her what pastor said to me, but she say, move for me, man, you too lie, man. What kind of something that I say? Mine a lie, I tell Pam pastor. So me say, no, at that him a tell me for truth. And she a say, you sure? Me say, yes. So, me don't know if she believe me or whatever, but she don't say nothing to pastor or whatever. So, every time he go and come, he always say something to me, Till one Friday him come and say he want to bring me on a date. So, me I say me don't know about that because me not really do them thing there or whatever. And he must say, he not do nothing to me, and I just that's what in a book he want to do to me. So and that carry me go buy dinner, whatever. And then whatever. So me did have one friend who live right beside the shop, right beside the cook shop.
Right.
So I tell her like what pastor said to me. And she say, what me plan to do? So me say me I go check him.
You tell her, say you go check him, you go check pastor.
No, me tell him say me I go trick him.
Oh, you go trick him. Okay.
Yes, because I'm not going to with pastor. I'm not even know him. Yes, so me tell him say Saturday. Like him not talk bad me about the date.
Right.
So me say, all right, Saturday. So him say what time? And me tell him say about 6 o'clock.
Right.
Yes, I was 16.
No, don't watch your chat. Don't look at the chat. Just talk to me. Just talk. Okay. Don't look at the chat.
Yeah. Say about 6 o'clock. And he say, all right, man, come 6 o'clock. And me and my friend plan up say we are going to lie down our bedroom window and look if he might come fit through. Reggae, we better can stop me see pastor out there for 4. Stand up. Like in park he car and him stand up. Every minute me see him I look pan in time. I look pan in time, he out there till about probably 6:30. And like he no see no movements and he no see me or nothing or whatever. And then he just drive off. And after that, he see me, he no say not a thing to me. He no say about nothing more to me. So me just, as I say, me not think it's spicy or whatever, but I just
no, you call in and you tell with the truth. You tell,
that.
You call in and tell with the truth about something and thing, and that is what I want people to do. You call in and tell the truth. And but clearly when you never turn up no theme interpretation is that you're not gonna go along with the thing where, you know, for make him swipe you and things. So him just no bother you after that or say nothing to you after that, you know?
But Reggae, I feel like I never that alone him want to.
Usually when the man names, well, let me just be careful here because me they get draw about this. But usually, very often when men say that, they think that it is something that the woman will more likely agree to so that them can get through the door and then them want more after them I do it.
Yeah.
Right, so a lot of men think that way, like a woman for frightening for them something that when that don't even make sense anymore because woman are frightening for them something that because when woman are walk on road, the first thing man I tell them say them want to do them from yes till eternity. But then at the same time, me to get dropped with some of my students at the University of the West Indies who had to school me and teach me that you do have a lot of men. That's all they want to do to the woman. It took me a while to say, then anything can go so. And they're like, yep, something goes for true. You have man who just want to swipe woman, and that's it. Them don't want nothing more. Them just want to swipe the woman.
Yes, that's true in Reggae because one time when me work now on bar, you know, so this man used to pass like every Saturday morning.
Yeah.
Like he go up on the 7th-day Adventist church down on the bottom, this below the bar.
You have a thing with the church people, them though.
Yeah, that me
yeah. Him know. Him know what? Yeah.
The man in a church clothes, you know?
Yeah.
And he might tell me, say, him can come around the counter and he might give me $9,000 if he just do that alone.
Yeah, I tell you, that's what my students tell me, that men, give women money just for swipe the woman, them and them no want nothing no more. Yeah.
Yes. And my friend, you know, come here and said to my friend, say, like me I tell him the situation and he must say me if you do it. Me say, you look like you're crazy.
Okay.
Me not do that.
You not take the $9,000 for no man swipe, you know. No 7th-day Adventist man come slap you with him leather tongue, don't it? All right, then bless up yourself here.
All right, big up, Raga.
Yeah, man, respect and blessings, man. Cool.
Aye.
No, it took me. The first time me hear them something that means nothing no go so or whatever. They say when I tell you my student them they dry me up, and it was like, sir, what are you? That's a common thing. I was like, what do you mean? And they're like, no, you have man. That's all them want for do to you, and them just come over and them do that and thing, and you get your money too, and them look after you, or you and them you juggle or whatever, and. You have a lot of men, that's all them want to do. Them just want to swipe you and them will do anything for you too or whatever. And that was the day that the ladies educated me. And since that was years ago, many years ago. So, yeah, you know, you do have men out there, that's all they want to do to women. Swipe them, not no more. Them no want to sort out, them no want to take out them instrument and do nothing. They just want to face the matter. Them just want to get a juju facial, right? They just want to get like a look of pony facial on them face and thing, clean out them pores and thing and whatever. And they just want to use their oral cavity to pleasure the ladies, and they get pleasure from that, ostensibly. All right, let's go. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
Wagwan.
Nothing much.
Nothing much. What's up?
So Raga, me call you to tell you my story, but me tell you this first.
All
Me
right.
have one old man, you know. The man pipe now, not even for some morning.
Well, on,
So,
him something now move, not even for some morning, though.
Raga know, him have blood sugar bad. High blood sugar.
Him have sugar,
So,
yeah.
bad Raga.
Yeah, man, yeah. Sugar
So,
and them something they don't agree.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So Raga, I need one married me and all these things, but I couldn't do it because
All right. Here I go on. We learn what is going on. You need to turn on the volume on your phone so it reduce the echo.
Better?
Turn it down a little more.
Is it any better now?
Yes, a little better now. Yeah.
So Raga, him did one marry to me, but I couldn't marry to him because of that issue there. Anyhow, I paid swiping in there, you know. Paid swiping in there.
Because
So one
him
particular time
instrument
him
couldn't
come,
work. Him instrument
he
couldn't
was
work.
living here in America and I was in Jamaica.
Okay.
So him come, Mr. Raga, it no matter what me do, I swiping, my stomach sick, me bend down, dip on the bed anywhere.
She's still there. Hopefully she'll realize, and she kind of cut off, you see.
The next day.
Yeah, okay, you cut off a while ago and you come back in, yeah? Okay, go on.
Oh, me said him always come Jamaica to spend time with me.
Yeah.
3-4 times a year.
Yeah.
So on a particular time, me don't know what him do to me the night before him leave, but the next day me end up a Dr. Roberts on me pen.
You end up a what?
The coach is swell till he can't swell no more. Me don't know when do to brother, but I eat it.
Well, you know, listen to me, you know. You said the next day you end up wearing me a pen?
Don't a Dr. Roberts, me a pen, doctor.
Oh, you end up a doctor the next day?
Yeah, coach is swell and fat out. No, for me, maga, you know, like a goat something, you know. So he get big and fat.
Hold on. So you said in general your coochie maga like goat front?
Yes.
Hold on. Goat coochie maga, goat puni maga.
Well, that's what my mother used to call me goat poo.
Oh God.
So,
hold on, man. Where you rush I go?
I know this is story me call if you tell you about.
Me know, but tanto the man, me a talk to you, man. So when me I say, so you are saying now with your look maga front and thing, the way him deal with it the night before and thing, but the next morning it swell up.
Raga next morning is swell like me have one wet diaper.
No, but when him did I do it, him did I do it good, you did enjoy?
Raga, to some extent, but me did tired of it because like in same comfy a week or so, I just peer at that. I couldn't wait for come out and also go somewhere. Fin just give me a break.
Jeez and peace. So if him come for a week, I just beer eat him, I eat you for the whole week because him
Raga
instrument now work.
peer
No.
eating. And if me lay careless, if we go certain place in swipe there.
Oh, and you're going to even like just bend over, look at you before you know it, and thing is a swipe a reach, you know.
Yeah.
Poopa
So Raga,
Jesus.
when we go to Dr. Roberts now, I tell him man what was my issue.
Mhm.
Me say man put in 2 foot up on his table and he laughs at it and cry.
No, but for a man use him mouth and beat up the something so much and whatever with only him mouth. Well, from what I have read
Well,
about.
when we learn now as a nurse and when Dr. Roberts did tell me,
Yeah.
like, you know, the mouth is infested with bacteria. But he wasn't really a nasty man where you could have smell him and smell him out, you know.
Right.
But the doctor said, even in spite of that, that happened.
No, listen to me. The mouth is one of the most you're a nurse, so you know this. You can bite somebody and kill them, you know.
Oh yeah.
Because the mouth have so much bacteria. Vaginas are way cleaner than the average human mouth, you know, than the average human mouth. By far. I always say that is an irony because the man, them always I say, me nah do that nasty and whatever and thing when the vagina is cleaner than the mouth. The average vagina have more to fear from mouth than mouth have to fear from the vagina. But
True.
anyway, so it looked like him. They probably have a local infection or something and thing and whatever. Okay, and then kind of.
I don't know what it was. Something along that line, but.
Oh my.
Yes.
Anyway, I survived that one. But can you imagine though? Because most women love that, you know. But for you in a position to where you get so much swiping that you just like, oh God, I'm tired of this. No, son, I can't marry that man. You must be mad. And thing like that. No.
Me hear a lot of women say that Raga, but for me, like I can take so much swiping. After a time, there's nothing to soothe that feeling but the bamboo.
No, and worse if him technique is not, shall we say, suave.
Yeah.
Because from what I hear, you know, some men who do that, you know, they have a way of extracting pleasure from the woman without the woman being sore and whatever based on their technique, you know?
Yeah, some of them really good at their craft, Raga. But me that one next one will text it for me.
Yeah.
Raga, he must swipe on me on my phone and I link up the bamboo outside the house.
When he must swipe you on your phone a call, I think somebody else will come give some good service with him.
Yes,
with him
and me a
instrument.
come.
Yeah.
No, me a come me can't stay right there Raga like me higher in a eat.
Yeah.
And the swiping couldn't.
And the swiping
no,
so you must swipe and thing and you well charge up and thing and whatever and it now do nothing for your pop off, no?
Swiping more at the time.
Wow.
So we have to link up.
And you have to just call for somebody with a proper instrument come give you the fix up, don't?
Yeah.
Backside, you know. One you go in and out do it, no. Okay. You go in and out do it here, no pun intended. But you go
no,
in.
Me I say by the time him finish, me have to say bye-bye. Me I go to my son. I forgot to my son.
Okay, get rid of him. So all right, now what the other thing? Finally.
Right, yeah.
It's all good. Good. Yeah. Talk to me now.
Back in the days.
Yeah.
Me have this boy when me really lock into in a Raga. I say, all right, me I settle down with him.
Yeah.
Run about his same age and so on and so forth.
Yeah.
And then back in the days, me did feel like say the previous men who me had, them already accomplished what they accomplished. I wasn't a part of the journey, so you know, right about him with somebody. That about then, not now.
Yeah.
So we did basically dip on the same level, but Raga me never get so much bun in my life yet.
So much bun?
Yeah. From a boy we can't take care of you. I want to just a plan for build life. Anyhow.
Yeah.
When me find out I accept say that I go on Raga, I say when me done with you must dead. To myself, you know, anyhow. Find one man. He come from Kingston. Me live at Clarendon, Tollgate.
Yeah. No, I'm familiar with Tollgate, yeah.
Yeah. So, gentleman I go a country and say, him a go, stop by me. When me call my man now, him there man devil come up spur tree. I mean I say, watch out, how this gonna work? So me say, you know, can't remember say if boy I give me bun and if me not give him back my heart, I got dead now. So me say,
No, so you didn't want to burn him back, you didn't want to hurt him back.
me want burn him back, so till me listen. Anyhow, so
Backside,
me
you
tell
know.
a man from town now say, all right, round the corner, we have one place named Alex, me could go. So me want to deal with the next a big man and then come home to this one and just know say me have one over him. Raga, when we reach Alex, you know, we start
Wait, what is Alex?
one guest house on the corner.
What? Okay, I don't
So,
know that one, but go on.
we did it and everything a flow and blah blah blah. We get
This are the one
started,
from
Raga.
town. This are the one from town, and the one from town are Sheldon, now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, don't run at Alex.
We get started. Man, I go on good, nice, clean, everything, know what I do. Raga, it come like the man set me upon coming out to it might work good enough.
You just a come so don't.
Raga.
Just a come and a come so.
Raga. Listen to me. Me say me feel I mean leg them just a wobble like me I go have baby.
No, a good come them there. Any come when make your leg them na wobble and a shake a good
Brother,
come
me
them.
have no control over them. Hey, what? Raga, so that I go on.
Well, and this was from stroking with him instrument, though. Mainly, right?
Right on the edge, I juke like a duck.
Right on the what?
On the edge.
So him know if you edge it and all them something they do.
Raga, listen to me now.
Boy, bad like yours. Know him
Like
game, man.
Top 100.
Make it just a pop off, so.
Raga, what I know right there?
Yeah.
You don't know, say. Me wake up, I find myself wake up maybe about 2-3 o'clock in the night. Him said, come on, I don't know.
Well, you cut out a while ago, you know. So you say you wake up 2-3 o'clock at night or what?
Yeah, I'm a cover up and him sit down at the edge of the bed. I look at me. So I say, what? Him said, tomorrow, I don't know what. You don't know, say, me just see you're not moving or nothing. I mean, I wonder if I did it, but me feel, and me say, me feel pulse, so I just fix a good pan in bed.
Oh, that was romantic. That was really nice.
Very much so, but Raga, me listen. Me knock out. Me just come so till Raga at that time I feel it.
Oh, you mean so you come with so multiple orgasms? You just come. That when you drop asleep, you just look like him. I wonder if I dead, you're dead and thing the way you get a proper fix, no?
Raga, we not done in the action, the man sister me lose it.
Well on. And in the middle of the workings, you pass out. Wait there. Well on. No, you cut out. I don't know why you keep on a cut out. Wait, you hear me?
Yes, man, I hear you.
Well on, in the middle of the workings, you pass out.
In the middle of the working, I pass
out. Backside, you listen to me, man. Well, you just have come, something till you just pass out under the strength, no?
Raga, me say, brother man, put my phone come. Me never experience that from me never experience and me get some quality sort out.
Yeah, you get quality sort out before that, but you never get it so good yet where Jesus.
Yeah.
Wow.
So Raga, you know what I say? When we wake up in that, them the hours you know, Raga.
Yeah.
I must about 11 missed call me see from another boy, you know.
Yes.
I must say, watch out, what is him? Me know send them me I didn't Raga because him never live far from that from me. So me I say, me no know what me
well, she cut off again. Well, do you know why you keep on a cut off and a come in and a cut out? You know why?
No, I'm not sure.
Are you on a car phone or speaker phone or earpiece?
On my car.
I think it's have something to do with your car, you know, yeah?
All right.
Sometimes the car, them do that, yeah?
Turn off this. So me I tell you now, Raga say, me get myself together, beat up myself, put on my clothes,
What?
and go to
Wait,
back
so
and go
you
carry me
didn't
home
you didn't
now.
able
So
to
me I tell
stand
him
up?
say,
You didn't able.
cause me I say, me no know what got happen, I know. Me no know what got happen, know.
All right.
Him say, well, listen, me nah left here, so me I carry you home.
Okay.
So when him come at the edge of my end of my road, the top of my road, me say left me as I'm more go down. He say, me I make sure so you're going to your house. So this boy now your head kinda hot, you know. That me find out afterwards. So me I tell him say, me no know if this him say, me I go shoot him, that's all me know. Me say no. Anyhow, Raga. As we go down and he wrap up in my yard now, I him that you know some used to have wall for mango tree in my yard.
Him drive up in your yard?
Yeah, him the man when me we just make me pass out, him drive up in my yard. And it boy that we say, hide back on one mango tree, quick, you know. So me say no, carry me back, so. So we go back out on the NI road, go up a toll gate, go down like we are gonna Milk River, come around at the same boy yard and come and him turn off him light, drive down on one back part. It's not even a road. I'm coming at the back of my yard and I walk going in. When we go through the back now, I said to my cousin Patrick, I call him and I say, open the door. Patrick, open the back door. So the next one, run a front, you know. When we in a house now, him call again, can not have calling no Roger, I say, miss call for days. So him, me answer phone, him say, where there? I say, me in a house. Him say, no, in a house. I'll shout about, you know. I say, me in a house. Him say, come out, me not go out there. Cause me I say, me don't know what got happen now. So him say, if you not come out it done, me say, it's okay. I say, it's alright, me see you when they light out him out there and he carrying. And Raga, you know my phone, me go out there. When me go out there now, him say, come I could go up. But Raga, me I say, go up. How me feel tender and sore? We can't go up.
Cause him want carry go a female know if you go put it on by you too.
Him say, so him thing now, me have to test you, if me not test you, if you not test you tomorrow, it done. So me I said, Jesus Christ, sometimes I can't do this. Anyhow, he did it till Raga me
So
end
well,
up
him want go in your juju for know if somebody
fi know
else
if
in
nobody
the,
going.
in the
But Raga this morning tell them say, it not for real, not no go so. Anyhow, you know we go up on yard and Raga. He might do it, you know. Raga me if you tap me breath, you know, Raga. Me say me tender sore, him can't come like a foot bottom material. Me tender sore, Raga. It feels so hot. Here we go the Bob say, oh, nobody no go there. Raga. So, let me tell you one next part to this. Me and him never talk about swiping yet, you know. Because too young like me, and me I say, me not hear them something about him or blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
Me not even talk to him.
She cut off again.
Him say nobody no go there.
Yeah. Cut off again. And she cut off people, me wait. I God.
Not just say him
you keep on a cut off, so just go back from when you say him, you never bring up no swiping thing to him yet.
Oh yeah, me never bring up no swiping argument because a good relationship me that try with him.
Yeah.
But Raga, when him say nobody no go there, him turn down and him give me a swiping. It was that Raga I can't come out of my head. You hear what I say?
Well,
and me and him never talk about it yet.
And at the first time that you get a swipe from him?
Yeah. And we are going for like 2 years or almost 2 years.
And when him thinks that you did burn him and thing and whatever, at that time him decide to swipe. At that time
him do it. Raga, me I tell you say him do it so good. Me say me eat him to this day me eat him.
You eat him no.
Me eat him. At that time me left him, me not there back with him. Me not there back with him from that night. Me not there back with him. Cause me I said to myself, say you have to be some pro and this to do this. Right? So, and you just do it to me? Then all of them people that were that give me born with, they no might have do it. Me hate him, Mr. Raga. I don't even say hate him nor beat him, but him. I just say eat
Oh,
what I eat.
whoa. This is interesting. Because you did a preem now for say a relationship you want from him and this are your man and whatever and thing.
Yes.
And you did have such respect for him that you
For
don't
him.
even bring
Yes.
up that something that to him and thing
Nah,
like that.
say it to him.
And you and him there after 2 years, you and him there and whatever, and him never do it, but him did a bone you.
And him, yeah.
And then the way how him swipe you good, the way him go down pan you good, and the way him so good pan you said there is no way him just a do it. So clearly him a do it.
Cannot just a do it. Cannot
Jeez,
just me know when man just a do it Raga all them teeth them a use a crepe up. You wish a fast teeth they have in and could have take out teeth.
Jeez, oh God.
That's
so you realize so at that moment you realize that you've been suffering a tongue betrayal.
Oh yes, Raga.
And isn't it ironic that at the moment, the first time you get it from the man who you didn't want to settle down with, the first time you get it, it's just so good and so incredible because it gets swipe before you know where good swipe is. And this was so good. But because it was so good and given the dynamics that preceded you receiving that, it resulted in you saying, no, that's it. I'm done with you.
Raga, me tell us say him 2 years older than me. I mean, me not like young people. Me like older man. Me like geriatric. So, but him, really into him, Raga. Me not tell. No matter what me family say me, him and my man, him me want.
Yeah.
So it really felt like a betrayal then. Me say, you're crazy.
No, but you see, this is the type of discipline I'm always trying to explain to young men that men need to have. Right? Because I always tell them a story about this woman who say when she described the wickedest sort of she ever get and thing and whatever, and we were just so enraptured in what she's saying. And then at the end she said, never again. And we said, what you mean? And she said, I'm not going back there. And I said, but you just described the wickedest sort out and thing, the best sort out you ever get and thing. And she said, well, that is the reason why I'm not going back there, because I don't have any control over myself. That is discipline, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And when you just forget the best swipe from the man who you did want for settle down with, who you did love and want for settle down with, and for 2 years, and it's at that moment you're like, nope,
nothing.
That is interesting. But tell me something. We have to go back to another little matter, you know, because me with my little, slightly perverted self.
It's all right.
After that, the treatment the way you get from Barcy will make you come and then come again and then come again and then you come. After that, when you go up there with Mr. Man for you just go up there for kind of cool him down and calm him down, don't
you? Yeah. Me just want to die down and me just want to have my lick back in my heart. Me not care if you find out or whatever. Me just want to set my soul free.
And Fim argument was him need for sort out with you because him feel say you did a gateway and him need for going there for know if you did gateway. And when him go in there and thing and you say pain because remember Sebastian done bruise it up earlier, you know, make you come. When you say Mr. Man in it, him say yes, okay, good. You never gateway, nobody never go.
Me tell him say me the upper course I want dead yard and my friend them carry me down.
Yeah.
I say, how you never come my front? Me say we come my front in I care, but me think you go fight and me think you go this and me think you go that, so we go round. And me just tell him exactly what we did, but I know me and my friend. And him swear to God say, I want man, me seen I can't. Me say, yeah, I cleave, I'm a commissioner. Be a father. So me give him a story and him buy it. And me just tell him buy it after that. Start up. Me just go Manchester, don't come back.
You go Manchester, you do what?
No, me go Manchester and don't come back. Me go and my sister and not come back for long and just break off with him. After that swiping them, me don't want to hear nothing from him.
Wow, you just done with him this or thing or whatever. You just know say that is it.
Brother, me hate him. I mean not ask him say if I first him do it or he never say him do it. Me not ask him.
No, but what if he was good at it before him did there with you, but never did I do it when him there with you? Never did I do it with anybody else when him did there with you?
Brother, me no know. I can't trust him to tell me that either.
You did feel that way, say, all this time him never do it to you, but then when him think say, you did give it, him a call you and can't get you, and when him think say, you go give it the chun, at that time him chose to do it. You did feel that way about that?
Of course, me did feel that way, but
Yeah.
guess what happened too?
Yeah.
And even that, me still, like, I grew up in church, and like, after like 17, 18, me really there in Manchester, so nobody really know my lifestyle at Tollgate.
Yeah.
So he thought I was still the saint, so he didn't want to say it to me, but me say, I don't care, because me know you've been doing it to other people. Plus, you are given like wildfire, so you must do it to them too.
Oh.
So that part did sick my stomach. I couldn't see Ronnie.
And couldn't go whenever. Oh God, but me not, I know it's a long time something, but even now, I'll be honest with you, right? Even now, my heart, me know people that chat about, my heart goes out for your poor little chun for wait, go back, go through after you go do with him, Oh God.
Raga, but wait now. No, my heart goes out tweeting up. Me tell you something, me have to tap my breath, Raga. Me have to tap my breath, me have to suck in my belly, me have to carry. It hurt at the time.
Oh God.
Yes, but him never stay there long, because once him enter and sit there, him a force in him say, oh, nobody never go there. Make me deal with it that way here. You better stay one place.
And I pity him then was the reason why I'm a forcing and what your mind never did it. When woman mind not did upon something or whatever,
and my mind wasn't there.
Yeah.
Me couldn't get wet. Me just wash it out upon Alex. So just imagine.
Right. Oh God. If me didn't know say I go through that the night, them would have sent up a word of prayer for your poor little chun and thing, you know. No, big up yourself. You're a warrior, big up yourself, brother. Say a word here.
Raga, we have story after story. Anytime you see me send a request, accept, and you will hear something.
Try know me, I bring you back in anytime you forward, all right?
All right,
Let's say a word, man. Blessings, man. Cool,
yes.
Wow. Yo. Anyway. And then look, man, yeah, some man, some look workless man at Jamaica, and when them woman come home, then check them, check them right at the doorway and a finger on this for say, them did a gate or whatever, like you can't know. When I hear that, real claffy, If woman don't want to know, you can't know. Right? You have one, let me just say, you have one and two. No two women is the same. No two women is the same. And every woman body respond differently. So you do have some cases where you do have some woman, if them do so, it take them a couple hours for the thing go back to its normal state. And them just can't help it. Let me just say that again. You do have a small percentage of women out there who, once them do certain things, the post state of them look a thing, of them look a chun, it stay a certain way. And it's just biology. It just take them a while for it come back to where it's normal state when nothing are going. But it's a small percentage. So that is a visual thing. But for most men who think that if them just go in it, them can't tell and whatever, please, if woman don't want you know, there's no way you're going to know. The best way for knowing, is not for focus on that. Listen to Master Raga now. Listen to the old man now, yeah? Men, if you want to know how, if a woman give her the thing, don't focus on her front. Focus on her behavior and her conduct and her glow. And it is something that a lot of women themselves, if you ask them, they will say, it's not true, but I know something of them, whatever. But say, Arlene say, thank you, true. Prep say, shh. David say, tapping eyes, Raga. So, man, because on so genital focus on a thing, all when woman born, the first thing I think about is how big the man body is and thing. And that I never think about when it come to woman, when a woman born you, if you think how she feel about the man, because that is more important. Yeah, that you feel, that you wonder about. And that woman wonder about when the man born them, right? When a man, the woman, most of man wonder if the man, them not think about, you know, if the man, if the woman put it tight or whatever. Yeah, woman kind of get caught up in what she have a mean have, or the, you know, yeah, women do that. But when a man born a woman, the first thing she want to know is how much you care about that woman. Because that is what is important. So listen to Mass Raga right now. When you're there with the woman, study her behavior, how she move, how she glow. What is her rhythm of her movement like when she gets out out? That our feeling, our ear, our aura, how she act, how she behave. And that if you focus on, you will more likely find out if she do something based on that, how she go on when she done. And even then, there's no guarantee because some women know if it, you know, women are way in tune to details than men are in general, you know. Right, so women pay attention to details. You have some man bad, you know, they know the road code and thing, you know. Like back in the day when me a bad and all them something there and thing and you done, and you know say, nah man, you can't go bathe with soap and make a next soap go smell pan you, cause you know say the woman a go smell the soap and them thing there, so you know say you have to wash off, but you can't go home cool. So you have to walk up and down and get a natural sweat on your body first before you go in. And yes, some man pay attention to details, but we not bad pan details like woman. We not bad pan details like woman. Woman will pick up any little deviation from your routine. You know, you come in and you run down a bathroom quick. Dead giveaway. And woman I say, no, I'm not run go bathroom quick when him come on. When him run down a bathroom quick for. And typical woman, when them see the things, them not jump on you right away, you know, them save up the evidence first. Yeah, me I watch him, you know, sometime him come in, you know, me notice upon Thursday evening time him come in, him go straight to the bathroom. He might do something upon Thursday and them save it up. Them not coming like we are idiot. As soon as we get one look at something, we run and go run off a mouth and thing and whatever. And the woman them just act like them a fool and then figure out why you know and why you don't know and just know what them for respond to. Yeah. The things them. All right. Jesus, all who not follow me now, no, please. If you're not follow me now. Let me go now. Start say, Raga, stop let out the secret them. Now, man, that you know, man. Woman bad pan that, man. In general, woman just save up the evidence them. But say by the time them come for you, you could have tell 10 million lie or whatever, them just a knock you so. Them just a knock you so and knock you so, because them don't save up the evidence. But no, serious, man. Women glow different when them get a good sort out. And if you're a man, you pay attention to that. Women glow different after them sort out. And you just need for kind of, and every woman unique. You just need to know what her mannerisms are, how she move, how she feel, or whatever, you know? You can feel distance to, you know, and them thing there, you know? Oh, let me go now when I mix up, then the one I mix it when we get before. But follow me, while me I get the mix up, follow me. Hear that one happy. So this woman, you know, she there with a married man. The man married, and she and the married man are juggle and thing. Then I know it's a goodie go catch belly with the married man. Catch good belly with the married man. The man push out the navel and all these things and whatever. So here I know, because them want go and do them thing, the married man tell her, say, make we tell the people them say, I'm a brother breed you. So, them put it out, they say, the married man, younger brother breed her. The other time she and the married man still a sort out, you know, and she have a picnic, you know, right? And put it out, say, married man, younger brother breed her. So, him take it and say, my father, whatever. And him go on a juggle with her. Two, little after that again, goods breed again. pregnant again, man, and thing and whatever, and go through the pregnancy and thing and baby bang. You know, so the baby is for the brother. Remember, you know, them plan up, you know, and say the brother, you know, for act like the father. So the brother having brother back in, bring brother back in, and act like the father, you know, and thing and whatever, you know, for kind of easier for people and make him wife know what go on, and sitting and whatever, and then goods go catch belly again. You understand? So when goods catch belly again, you know, the assumption was it's for the married man again, and the brother go act like that. And the brother the real father. Yeah, and the brother she go there with go lock with. And guess what now? Then fear sister now. Then she got the right out with the younger brother now, you know. But remember, you know, the married man, you know, him know say the first picnic is the theme picnic, but the younger brother just take it on and said, you know, since him go tell me if he be the father, and me are the father. And then him go so boom, and she and him do so and breathe, and then them end up a day. After them day, fear sister now go so boom and start out with the married man. Yeah, fear sister go start taking married man. Fear sister when you up almost me almost call his sister name. Yeah, go start taking married man. Drama. So that was the first. I really think I tell you, you know, but I can't go into no more details because, you know, boom, badang, bang, bing, 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 bing. And she, you know, the one who did end up there, the brother, you know, she end up, she looked good. She looked good because when people are telling me, she looked good. But I lie, she looked good. And think, but she 50 and I be a young boy she want know, you know. But she 50, but I tell her, I look upon her and I said, no, she could pass to somebody in her 30s. And whatever. So I don't know, I must say ginger, she take care of herself, but she look good. And she out there now and do her things, see me and whatever. But she did have 3 more picnic. Not with the younger brother who she settled with, you know. But she still lay claim to the younger brother and things. And the second one now, this woman up here in America, she have a good friend from Jamaica called her church sister. Right? From Jamaica, her church sister. And the church sister is a respectable woman, right? Carry herself really good and all them thing. Classy woman and everything. And anytime she come up America, she stay with her best friend. You know? You know them look at something there. You come up to New York, you stay with your best friend and thing, and them do shopping and thing, and them go out, them buy clothes, them reminisce and thing. And we're just good friends over years and years and years and years. Every time she come up, her friend, she stay with her and thing. So she get pregnant now and thing and whatever. And I know enough of them time they know the whole thing is to have the child in America. So of course she asked her friend, like, you know, when I come, I can't stay with you for have the baby. And the friend said, yeah, what you mean? And boom, boom, boom. So when the time right, she come up and thing and whatever, you know, and she stay. Sometimes people never come up like at 7 months. Sometimes they don't want it obvious with the belly, so they will come up earlier, you know, immigration, whatever. But she come up and she stay the months there leading up to, you know, birth and all them something there. So, and she take care of her and, you know, pregnancy and whatever. She did it for her and take care of her and whatever. Boom, she have the baby. She have the baby. After the baby, she there for a while and sitting and whatever. And then she go back to Jamaica. While she there back to Jamaica, you know, she still visit and thing and come up. And anytime she come, she stay with her friend and thing and whatever. And thing, bops, pregnant again. Second belly. And she have the belly there and go on a little bit, go on till the time come for baby again. And even the friend up here said to her, said, no, come up early or whatever, boom, bang, badam, bing. And, you know, she come up early and she and her friend juggle and thing and them go and do them thing and whatever. And she take care of her, cook for her, clean for her, whatever, because she pregnant and thing and whatever. They are hospital with her and all them something there and thing and whatever the whole time, whatever. Have the baby and thing and then go back to Jamaica and thing and friendship are go on and the picnic them and grow and thing. only for ear. The father for the two pick. You guessed it. The father for the two picnic them. The two of them, not one, the two of them. The father for the two picnic them is the friend husband up here. The father for the two picnic them, for your best friend, two picnic them, and what she did and whatever it is the husband for the friend up here. All them time when she a come up and all them things and a stay there and whatever, she a grind off the woman husband, her best friend husband the whole time, and catch belly, breed and thing, and come back with the belly and make the woman take care of her, cook for her the whole time and thing. Not one, two belly, two picnic. When you see all them sitting there right now, why people going on about them I trust people and swear for people? I not trust nobody and swear for anybody. I not trusting anybody and swear for people. I not put nothing past nobody right now. Me not put nothing past nobody right. A real thing me I tell you, a real something happening, you know. Right? Real something happening. And people, give me the 100 based on the mix-up that we go on yesterday. For those of you who weren't here, we get one wicked mix-up yesterday. That show the post over YouTube right now. Yesterday show post. Yeah. No, that show that come out tomorrow over YouTube. That my channel over YouTube, TamFam TV. TamFam TV. If you not watch right now, I want to miss a show or whatever, all of the show them over there. Every show I do over here, all of them over there. Thousands of shows when I do from all these years at Jamaica, on radio, the whole of them over there. Thousands of lives when I do all these years over YouTube and I found over TikTok, I know about them over there. TamFam TV. Go over there and subscribe. Go over there, TamFam TV, and subscribe and just enjoy the content over there. So the mix-up what we get yesterday was that this woman here, she and her man live, she have 3 picnic film, and then she have this friend, our best friend, who married. She desperate have her husband with 7 picnic, and the husband now mind the picnic them, so she know the best over here, so the friend over here, so I help out her friend the whole time, I help out her friend. Only for her friend husband call her and say, so you don't know. You don't know, say, your best friend have picnic and dash for the belly, and the picnic are your, the father for the picnic are your man. So that was that mix up we get there. But the same woman, the best friend with the 7 picnic, who breed for our friend, the one over here, so we are give the mix up with the 3 picnic and for our man, who breed for our man. That best friend now go also take the younger, our husband, younger brother. And the preke, Jamaica, and the preke reach a point where the younger brother fear the best friend, husband, younger brother, end up a war, a fight, big fight, a war with the friend over here, some man, right in front of everybody and thing. So that was a hell of a mix-up when we get here, like yesterday and whatever. That in another show that we are post over TamFam TV on YouTube. It'll come up 10 o'clock tomorrow. So as a mix-up there now, people here now, and I call, and I get several other ones, but them 2 that were me give, them 2 that was a hot one, and me just said to the people, them said, no man, me have to drop them, man. Me have to drop them tonight. And it just goes to show, but tell people all the while, no, human beings were filled with secrets, and what lies in a lot of secrets is a whole heap of mix-up. A whole heap of mix-up is in a lot of secrets where people do. And for people, somebody like me who systematically, study human behavior, and them teach you all these theories, I know all these theories, in the realm of anthropology and sociology, academia is about methodology and theory. So the theory explains relationships between variables, cause and effect relationships, and then methodologies are the ways in which you study these things. Oh, we have another subscriber. Blessed, big up, big up. So I have these formal tools that I use to understand people from my training. But let me tell you something, man. My real knowledge about the nature of people, when I use those tools that I get from academia and combine them with the knowledge when me get from Mixup, and that's how you really know what people capable of and how people behave and what motivate people. And Mixup teach me about people, man. And Mixup give me like clarity. Blessed, big up, you know. Thank you for being a subscriber to this channel here in TikTok, all right? Blessed, enough respect, right? Mix up, man. And mix up, you learn. You know, sometimes you have all this knowledge from mix up and you don't apply it and use it and things like that. So, me is a skeptic, you know. And me, I'm one of them people that, you know, this trusting thing, you know. Just from the knowledge and thing, anybody capable of anything, right? Anybody capable of anything. So, me are one of them people who say, no, you know, so I'm not thinking me that do that, or no, I'm not think I should do that. You will hear me say something like that. Say, no, I don't see her do that, and I don't see her do that. So I know people like that when I will go that far. I say, she not do that. I don't see her do that or whatever. But you now hear me say, I am absolutely 100% unequivocally sure that such and such man or such woman would never do it, because not even those people know what they will do in a novel situation when certain pressures reach them. Not even them know yet what they would do in a situation that they can't even envision or imagine. You understand? But you have some people me swear for them. Can I say, no, she not stay so, or you not stay so, or whatever, you know? Can you have some people like that, you know? But based on my knowledge when me get from Mixup, man, I tell you, man, you learn this up with them. All right, if you're not follow me for 95,700. If you're not follow me yet, follow me now. I could go to, but them two Mixup, them I tell them I have to drop them one. Thanks to the person who remind me. What do you call her name? Tamage TV. All right, cool. Tamage TV. Okay. All right. Well, juggle down, you know. I could go back to the phone line. X-Man Mixup or X-Woman Mixup or any other Mixup one. I do remember my birthday party, Ragabash, September 20th at the Amazura in Queens. Ragabash. My birthday party, September 20th. Amazura in Queens. Want to roll out for that, all right? And music by DJ Chris Cross, Glamour Win, DJ Roy. Those are legends, you understand? Plus a whole bunch of a selector go forward, because in any time a show I go on and thing, you know, people just come out and give me a love day, you see it, right? So the party they are go on, and we have some giveaways, and I just want people to know, it was several shows ago, it was decided by the group that we'll be giving away roses. So I'll be giving away roses there. Me going to do the giveaway them, see? And we're just going to have fun, you know? Just tell a woman to come up, and if you can come up and take off your wig, we give you a rose, you know? And if you can come up with the people like man, we give you a rose, you know? And if you can come up and kiss your gentleman or kiss your lady and thing and whatever, we're going to give out roses, right? And when we say rose, we're not talking real rose. I don't know which rose we attack, right? Based on a show that we had several shows ago, all right?
Hello.
Yeah, Wagwan.
Good night, Raga.
Yeah.
You know, long me I send a request.
And here you are. What say you?
You hearing me now?
No, man, I hear you good, man. Talk up.
All right. We used to there with this soldier guy from Clarendon.
Yeah.
So, him did married, you know.
Yeah.
So, but he married to this girl when she was 17-year-old and him did older than her.
Oh, okay.
So, My mother did live at Clarendon, so me leave from Spanish Town and go to Clarendon now, and I saw me meet him.
Yeah, yeah, well, your fan,
So
when your fan a turn and a blow up on you, so just move it from your fan look a bit, yeah?
Okay, alright, hold on. It sound better now?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so anyway, him used to carry uniform, them come give me for iron.
Okay.
So, when I iron them and thing and so anyway, we start getting and thing.
Alright.
When we start out, in tool never that strong.
Oh.
Kind of soft, you know?
Okay.
So, anyway, one day now, like we live in a country here right now.
Yeah.
So like me that live down, so we live in a one scheme and she live at the last end and me live at the top. She left from her yard, you know, and come on my yard, you know, come see her husband in my bed, you know.
Well on. The man, the married man where you did that take, him live near to you? Him live near to you?
Yes, in the same district. Next door.
Oh, and
but she them did move from there because of rent house, so them go further down in the district.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so she leave from her house, come on my house and see him in my bed. Me a bus bump in her face. Hear her to him. You know, come home. Yeah. You go on home at your yard, man. Go home, Jenny. Go home.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, the girl, she have 2 kids for him. She pregnant now and thing. Him want me to follow her. He want it two away to be friends. Right? Him want me follow her to go shop with her. Shop with baby clothes.
Well, she have 2 pitney female and then she have a third one coming. And him want you to follow her for go shop for get baby clothes, shopping with baby clothes.
Yes. And everywhere I go, him want the 2 away to go with him.
Okay, so you did work with it? You did work with it at least for a while?
No, one at the time. No, me never go shop with her. But one at the time, him invite me to in one party when Godfather have.
Yeah.
And when the car come and me gate go stop, I'm open the door. As me see my car. At the most uncomfortablest time of my life.
But you did still go in at the car?
Yeah, me still go when me reach our party now. Me get mad because I want come home.
So when you go in at the car now and whatever, she did look for you?
No, she in her front of me, the round her back.
Oh, a back seat you did get. Oh, God.
Yes.
What?
So anyway,
Yeah.
If them used to be, them want build like me say my soldier, you know, so them build house. So them have this place as a runaway be, you know. So him say me have to move with him to Ochirias. Anyway.
No, well on, but no, when you say them have a place a runaway be?
Yeah, man, him a soldier. Right. So like them get contracts to cut roads and all of that because them a go build house. Right. So me I had was to move.
Yeah.
I get a call. Me have to move.
Yeah.
Go a center. And anyway, me they have my relatives them live down there, so we go down there and we live. So like on weekend time, mother go at the house where them must stay, soldier them must stay. So him alone would leave back. Right. So mother go there and cook and whatever.
Yeah.
Anyway, get to the story now.
Yeah.
Me meet this man. Me and him a talk still remember. Me say man married, you know.
Yeah.
But a man jealous over me body, you know.
Yeah, they usually are.
Anyway, because him say me never sought him out. No other woman never sought him out like how me sought him out.
Whoa, so you sought out turn up for true?
Yes, man.
You got game.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Girl know if to do her thing, don't it?
Girl know if to do her thing, man.
Sure. Go
so
on,
anyway, me meet this foreign man now.
Yeah.
And me like him, man. A big man, you know, a man in his 50s. I mean, like me, late 20s.
Yeah.
I go in at 30s.
Yeah.
So me meet the man now. I'm like him, man. The man clean and nice, you know.
Proper.
Yeah, so anyway, we get in and thing. Man, tell me say I'm having family or foreign or something. No problem.
Keep it 100. Cool.
Yeah. All right. Man start sending on the money for me now, Raga. Send on money for me now. And you know say look like in love search phone that I soldier.
Yeah.
So him go in iPhone and see my name. So it's like me say, him want me now. Fi start fear say me fi rob a man, like me fi tell him man say this happened to me and that happened to me. And me I say no, me not in that. Me say I'm a friend. Me and the man not in a nothing, so me I deny it. Say me and the man in a things, you know.
Wait, that time you and the man did do it already, right?
And the man sort out.
Yeah, he's a foreign man. Okay, good. Yeah.
Yes. So anyway now, the man a come to Jamaica and the man send money come give. But you know you're young and fool. Me collect the money now. Me have the money, but me put the receipt like on top of the wardrobe. Man send money come, we take vehicle, we go at airport, me and the never collect, we pick up the man and come. So, guy man owns and think, and me tell him lie now, me tell him lie, say, me I go somewhere with with my sister.
Yeah, the usual.
Anyway, when me and the man go there with beard and thing and you know a man a come for a friend, them a go carry stuff for their woman.
Yeah.
So the man carry one nice gold chain for me. And me him have some t-shirt and things, so me put on the t-shirt and we go sort out and things. When we done sort out and a cuddle, and the man me ear say, and wife that I call, you know. So same wife named Sandra.
Yeah.
So hear him answer his phone. Hear him. Sandra, me not hear him. Sandra say no. Sandra, there's nobody in the house, Sandra. Sandra, there's nobody in the house. Remember a foreign man living up. So you don't know, say, for me man now, for me soldier man now, search and find the paper. And you know, say, information I got dip on the paper.
Yeah.
A man find a man number and call a foreign. Tell the man wife say, oh, here right now, remember, say, me, a man married and me and a wife. Now, a man go tell a man, say, you want your husband have the wife in your house right now?
Jesus God, what yeah, no. It's wicked to do that.
What a wicked man. So anyway,
remember say him and fame wife, you know, and you and and with picnic and whatever, and him go tell the man both say, tell the woman both say your husband they in a hotel right now with my wife, and at the time you know him wife and thing.
The time you know him wife. What the man don't know say nothing no go so.
Yeah.
Man know say me and him there, but the man know say we not married.
Right.
Anyway, him man no feel good about the whole thing. Because remember you call if you try to mash up the man house now, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, Raga, me come home. Man carry me home. And we go in the house and me lock the doors. It's a board room. And Raga, you know, board louver. Window.
Yeah.
You don't know, say the boy come and start walk around the house and knock it house. What me do? I miss nah answer when he must say what me do. Raga. Me know me hear a commotion, the man chuck through the window.
What? Well, and him chuck through the window and broke out the board louver them. Him just dive through the window.
The board louver window them.
Jeez, I'm a proper soldier move that.
You understand? Rub me in me short, me nice gold chain.
Damn.
Bossy off of me neck. Mr. Raga, Me and the man I mean now back down, you know, cause the man a hold on for me a draw me, you know.
And yeah, war him straight down.
Fight me and me a war him back, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, him want to carry me outside and me no want to go outside. Eventually, him pull the door and draw me. So more you picture this. It's like the land kind of level where we live, but up top, it higher, one hill. So one girl live up there now, and the girl mo hear me a scream, and I say, let go off of me, let me go. Because he want to push me in the car, me no never kill him, want to go kill me or what. You don't know, say the girl come out in the late night and start fling so stone down their body.
Padding car.
I fling stone him. Uno leg off for the stone flinging and uno leg off for the phone stone flinging.
And that him I said to them, don't.
And that him I say. But he don't know who are flinging stone, you know.
Yeah, but I protect she no want to come
she
down the
try to protect me.
But she try, yeah.
Yeah.
A good move she make, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man, me say. Me have to tell her thanks in morning, man.
No, so what him do when it's stone them a fly a come down?
When it's stone them, he catch him afraid. So he left.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That was
man,
very smart of her, yeah.
The man obsessed with me, no?
I hear her fault for have good front. I hear a good front.
Good front,
then hold on, but isn't it funny? You say him body no 100 and him a go on, so I them get desperate, you know. Yeah, I them get desperate. I want one up you and whatever.
I'm telling you,
and you see
Mr.
them.
Raga, I first me ever change number like how me change me drawers after me left him, man.
See it there. So after the night, they what happened?
You know me talk back to him still, but the relationship with me and the man just end because the man never feel pleased, you know?
Yeah.
About the whole thing.
Yeah,
man, feel fucked up, man. Trust me.
Yeah, with them little drama and madness they were coming.
I tell you, man, me say that the man there. Up to the day, I tell us years, me talk about from 2000.
So how long after that before you and him mash up then after that then? Before on the leg?
Maybe about a year.
Okay. But was the relationship the second and be the same like before after that or just
no,
different?
it wasn't like the same because as me say, if him jealous over me till if Freddie see a man number on my phone, a problem.
And you
me
know,
I tell us when I time the man want my phone for looking at my phone, you know.
Yeah.
And me say a phone you want, see it there, woo me in the wall. I mash up your phone, my sister say. You know, see a real mad woman.
No, but you see, what me say is, you know, say some woman like them type of energy there from some man and whatever. Some woman love them something. Them. Me don't know how them love them type of drama there.
Me never like it because trust me, him man obsessed with my man.
Yeah, them type of for somebody be so calculated for go in on your phone, get the man number and thing from foreign. That mean him a watch you the whole time, you know, and investigate and get it and then and go so far and for go call and tell the man wife them something there and whatever. You see them type of people, them type of people will sit down and plan your harm and for do certain things to you and you don't know, you know.
You.
Yeah, man, I like with them people, you know, if them go so far for do that, them will go so far for do other things too. That me like with them people.
Yeah,
that's
because
why. Go on.
Me did have a phone one time. Me don't ever remember one long time when Digicel, if you create a password and you block up your phone, like you enter it more than one time, you could call them and then open it back.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me have a phone and me have this friend from me a pick me and the guy him you send money come give me if own the first passport me have. So the guy call now and never get me and leave a message. I don't know, so the man come in from work and take up the phone if you go search your phone and insist. Because you know you will get a little symbol say you have a message. Because WhatsApp and then something never in it. The man take the phone and take the papers for the phone and carry it going in the car and enter the wrong pin and call Digicel and tell them, say, him enter the ramping and him ask them fi unblock it. Just for listening message where guy left.
No, them type of obsession, the boy, it's scary, man. It's scary.
I'm
Creepy.
telling you.
Creepy.
Right now, if me see him and he say hi to me talk to him. But if you ever dare come near me, trust me, where me eat the money, man, me not. He love touching on him, touch and me say, look here, don't put your hand on me, don't touch me.
Yeah.
So why you have your behave so?
Yeah. No, them type of controlling, possessive type of thing, them man. Boy, some people, me don't know. Me don't know. Nothing wrong with little jealousy, but boy, when you gone so far and all, them little thing there. Yeah, that's crazy, you know? John, no. All right, man, I say a word here. You survived that one day,
Robert,
you know?
pick up your nice, clean self.
All right, sweet charm. Love and blessings, man. Cool. All right. No, sir. Me can't, them type of obsessive type of something there, you know, man. People want to see the signs and enough things where you see happen to some people out there, you know, them they don't see them people who, the people who do it to them they see before, say them people, them obsessive, them way they and crazy, them way they, you know, and still stay in it and then pay the ultimate price and thing, me. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, greetings.
Alright, so what up?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, tell you one story.
Yeah, Senna, talk up louder.
Alright, so when me in a sick.
When you what?
What are you? When me in a sixth form, I make this.
Alright, turn down the volume on your phone a little bit.
Are you hear me now?
Yeah, you did that go in and I go out and thing. But yeah, go on, Tan.
So when me in a sixth form, I make this.
Yeah.
So them time them a look me, say, I don't pay my mind, right?
Yeah.
But me used to tell him one word and nah, give no forward.
When I really hear you good, you know, turn down your phone a little bit more again, yeah? The volume.
Hello?
Yeah. All right, go on, Tan. I can see now.
Alright, so when I look my family in a sixth form,
Yeah.
so I never give no forward.
Yeah.
So I sit to the side and I start go college.
Yeah.
So when I start go college, you know, in my 3 more that I decide to, I give him a talk, so I listen to him one day.
Yeah.
And he must say, he's not a girlfriend or everything.
Yeah.
So he eventually start talking to me.
Yeah.
I talk to him about 6 months until one day I see him turn up at my house. So I say, oh, you know my house? He must say, him ask for my friend, and my friend should say, I write to some leave.
Mm-hmm.
So he moved down him stuff down, like him clothes, and start sleep at my house every day.
He move himself them in your house and thing and then start come at your house every day.
Every day, and it take him a good time and I'm moving him clothes them in my house.
Yeah.
So we said to him, say, come back and live here. You know? But I don't really say that for nothing for him move out.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, now, he moved from camp and gone and Monique.
Monique, okay, yeah.
Yes, so that's all right. Me and him talk, relationship strong and everything.
Yeah.
So one day I come back at town and I don't know I'm in meeting an accident.
Yeah.
So him text me and said to me, say him there in the hospital, if me I come look for you.
Yeah.
So I say, which hospital is there? In the Spanish Town Hospital, him said no. I say they are public, him said no. I say for you, him said no, him said they're for Radiant. Right?
Yeah.
Anyway, now I get up in the DM, say me I look for me. Stop at the shop and go buy 3 supplements. I'm going to buy 3 Grace Tropical Rhythm.
Mm-hmm.
As I buy the Grace Tropical Rhythm and the supplements, so it's like advice to me say, suppose I go up a camp, go look for him. And you book up in your mate. What I do?
Yeah.
So I say, you know, say any of me go, make a man if you them say soldier man have one bag of girl. I say any of me go, I mean if you a girl, me I drink my supplement.
You're not, you're not giving the suffragette or the tropical rhythm there. You have a drink there. Yeah.
Anyway, go up a can go look for him. And our foot well string up and neck in our we call like a plaster foot.
Yeah.
I mean that's serious.
Yeah.
But I realize when I reach out him like him have a list, like him leave a list of people we want to come look for him.
Yeah.
So when I check later my name on the list. So when I come back out of JDF now, I'm reach right at the gate. My phone ring. So I answer the phone. The girl said to me, say, you gotta look for a man.
Well on, your phone ring and the girl say, yeah, hear me? When you said the girl said to you, say, you go look for women.
The girl call my phone and say, you gotta look for a man.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I say, baby girl, if I owe a man, me know where my man there. So you should know where your man there.
Yeah.
She said she got Spanish in the day, she got public in the day, she got UC in the day. So I say you're supposed to know where your man there. She said to me that she know my name and all of the things about me and whatever. But in my liar and she want to talk to me. So I said, girl, I don't really want to hold a conversation in nobody but no man, you know.
Mm-hmm.
She go over JD and then tell her, say, ask her name, tell him her name, and the tell her, say, she is not here. Because apparently he not put her name on the list. So she said she want to meet me. So anyway, now me my full self tell the girl to meet me out of the clock.
Jesus God, you got agree for meet her?
I agree for meet the girl because I said that boy I can't be so skilled.
Yeah.
Because the boy sleeping on my bed every night. So when he gets to have this girl
here. Yeah.
And as me leave school and come home, the boy reach home and say, we can't time the boy's schedule and the boy reach home on the time.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So anyway, I said that boy still she tell me say she pregnant for the boy, she saw a baby and her belly big. So me stand up at the clock and me away upon the girl. So one of my friend passed me and said, girl, where are you? I said, you know, say, a man have a woman in the car and tell me say, yeah, breathe. And I really want to see that girl I breathe too.
Mm-hmm.
Friend tell me you're going on the bus and meet the girl. Meet you with her friend and beat you.
Mm-hmm.
So going on the coaster was normally for my car to write a mother's this.
Yeah.
Me going on the bus and go sitting on the front seat.
Yeah.
But then on the front seat now my phone ring. But I look now, the girl that come with a big belly on the phone and talk to me, I'm right in front of her. And she does see somebody on the phone and talk to her.
Oh, so she come out there with her big belly for true?
But true, the girl look like she about 6 months or 7 months.
Oh, but they tell you in the bus and I watch her and I talk to her and see
but then
her.
at the bus, I look through the window, I look on her, me I talk to her. I said, stay there. Just say, me there in her mother's. And the girl turn, come on, if she the girl turn. The girl got mother's. The girl said, tell me why you know me there. They tell me there right in front of the girl. But I have to turn one good for the silly belly all angry.
Yeah.
I mean, I said, that boy, I care. So, anyway, the girl said to my pan, come out back. I said, we there the bus stop. I said, they cross the road. I mean, I said, this must be a joke. I can't my man to get like that.
Mm-hmm.
So when I say the girl, no, I'm just tell the girl my name. I tell her my full name. I tell her I'm over camp. I tell her exactly what in there. I say when you go over there, tell her my name. Tell her my name. And go on and go look for you. So
hold on. But why would you do that though? Are you doing?
Yes, the man are wicked.
No, but sometimes what make you sure say him are the baby father?
Well, no. I'm sure it's him are the baby father.
Oh.
So the girl go over camp and the girl tell them my name. And the girl go push for them and him shut on the bed.
And do what?
Remember saying him string up, you know?
Yeah.
So foot up and up, head in a case.
Yeah.
Girl chuck pan him from the bed. I must fight him off. They have to escort her out.
Well, after him string up there and mash up and thing or whatever, she chuck pan him in the bed and I fight him with her belly.
But if wicked to be all along, the boy sleep down bed every night. The boy said, no, I'm not woman. Me I tell him, I don't know when this boy talks to this girl, when this boy see her becoming, must say, It's him that they are working there at my house.
Yeah.
So anyway, you know the girl go over there go beat him up on the bed.
Yeah.
So him call me, you wickedy. I say, what you mean by me wicked? You wickedy? Me say, I don't know what you talk about. Him keep on and say wicked. I say, talk to me, the girl come over here, come chuck on me on the bed and beat me. I say, which girl you talk about? The girl, man. I say, which girl you talk about? The girl. I say, you know how long him take before him tell me say, him baby mother. I say, baby mother? I say, that means say, I have a baby mother. I say, when I get to meet her? When I get to see her? So the girl beat out him last since I never feel no way. For the first time in life, I do something wicked, I never feel no way. I think wicked too.
The first time in your life, what?
I do a wickedness. I don't feel no way.
Yeah.
Because he's wicked. Because the man eat and me and sleep and me and every single night. And the man have the girl with a big belly. And me don't know what I'm going.
Jam.
So anyway, I know put work come to bum. Me and him start over and start back relationship. So I start work now. I did work one day and I get a call, a girl says she want to talk to me. So I said, where you want to talk to me? Say, invite some family. And she said, yeah. If you remember the time when she meet me across the road. I say, you know, don't have your pitney already, and because him say him take care of everything. Apparently, him have an account in here, and him put the money in the account, and after a while, him take the child from him. So the child now live with his mother.
Yeah.
So anyway, you know, the girl just want to talk to me. So I said, what you want to talk to me about? She has something for telling me. I go tell me, say, like I said, December when him go foreign, he leave from Florida and come and New York, come sleep with her, and how much she breed see him again. She said when him there money, him have a next woman, have a next pitney female. And when him got England, him have a next baby mother. So that means that 3 baby mother.
No. Hold on. Say that again. She said when. Hello? 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 Hold on, she get cut off.
Hello?
No, yeah, man. What you say? What she say? What she say?
She said she a breed see him.
And when him go foreign, what him do?
And she said a girl at Lindsay have a pitney see him. And a girl at England have a next pitney see him.
Okay. Hold on. So she said when him go America, what him do? When him fly go Florida and then go New York, go do what? Go sleep with that? What that go?
My brother will live a Florida.
Right.
If you live from my house on vacation, I go to Florida.
Right.
He showed me Florida cricket. Right? He said I go to Florida, go spend 1 week. But take a start the boy and take a
Hold on. Yeah, go in and come out again. Just position back where you did there. All right. Just start directly in my phone. So when him go Florida to him brother now, him just shot it.
Take a great old bus.
Him take a grey on bus, him take from Florida, go all the way, go New York.
If he take the plane, never see the ticket.
If him take a plane, so him take the bus and go up there and start a route up on New York.
We not a relationship, so we are professional.
Yeah.
So all of the documents, like, you know, the mechanic and all that.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Wait, turn down your phone a little bit. The volume, yeah? Yeah.
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 So the boy take a great own bus from Florida.
Yeah.
I'm going to New York. I look for shit again. I'm for the first time. He never own it. Right? He try to go quote and because he try to prove it to me.
Oh,
right?
Right.
So now him go look for her now, but him take the bus.
Yeah.
So she know, I call me and let me know all the baby mother them in the world we have. So she said, when him there money, him have a baby mother down there.
Yeah.
When JD said him go to England, him breed a woman at England.
Well, so the JDF they said him go England and him breed a woman at England.
Them have a pitney at England. She tell me all of them something.
And then when him did their money, because everybody knows a big soldier camp their money. When him did down there, him breed a woman, a Linguistic woman over that side.
Woman down there.
Yeah. And then him go back. And she go say she breed back again, though.
She breed back again. So here she go tell me, say, me if I left the man and give her,
Tell her I say buy me one big TV. I believe him. Come here, go back down on me yard.
Hold on. What you say she says to you? I never heard stuff like. No, but then she not call her tell you how much of a bad person him is and how much baby mother him have all about
no,
the
but
place.
you are the man here, we that me I tell you.
Yeah, no, and I tell you, say if you do some.
Say you and your mate them need to unite. So you may ask if you do a big plasma TV, I'm put it on my wall because I get myself out of this atmosphere. And it has too much big drama.
So you ask her for a big plasma TV, a flat screen.
Ask her for a big plasma TV.
And what she
say? A girl, here now, me must wear she not buy me the TV because girl, here we go and make a different money.
No, hold on. Yeah, go in and come on. So she said she's not buying a TV, and then what you say?
I say, me not gonna give the man, so I'm gonna trade that. They're gonna give me the TV and take the man. Because we have one that can do drama and me not plan to become a part of it.
And then what she say? What she say?
They're sure talk about, chase and all this something. And you don't care about baby mother. I ain't on the conscience because he not speaking out. Mr. Girl, I want him manage to keep all of Una under wraps because when me check him out, I don't money about to nobody.
Well, but you're all tired about you not have no conscience. What she mean by you not have no conscience?
Mommy, I say you, yes. I say you not have no conscience because you have a conscience. You breathe one time, feel.
Oh.
You not breathe a second time.
Oh. Okay. So you did have youth for him? You did have youth for him?
No.
Oh.
I got school then. I leave college and I got I finish up my studies. Him is a professional, me I'm a professional. So
him is a professional what? Him is a professional what?
No, me I tell you, I told it. You know the professional with soldier, right?
Right.
Right. So we don't really want to call up a professional.
Right. Okay. Right.
So it's like him have to find the benefit of journey with me versus with them, yada, whatever. So when I say she want a man more than I do, and I say, okay, baby girl, no, you have 2 feet, you have 2 feet, the one they have 1 feet. There's a lot of people. I'll have to put it on support. That'd be a problem.
No, but you see why? Hold on. You see why she call you and I tell you them something there. You know, all what go on out of all of them. You know, it look like she calculates. You I'm weakness. You know, him a gallus. You know, him out there. You know, and him wild up. But you know, it sound to me like she mats out the thing and say, she need for you need to come out like any of you come out of the picture, she believes that she may get him and he may come over to she, which might not be the case, you know, but I think
the girl tell me say, if you're not believe me, call the girl and the other 2 girls on the line. I said, yes, when I came to England, it was in my bed and one only person.
Hold on. She called the other 2 girls on the line?
Yeah, I have the girl on the
so
line.
So hold on, the England baby mother and the Linguistic baby mother come in with the New York baby mother and the 3 baby mother. The 3 of them.
Little girl.
Yo. No, you know, she said the brother have a United Nations body.
Like a global.
Yeah, it's a global body, man. The body there, you know, the body there see the world. Benetton, you know, the body there is the body there out there, you know, it's a global body that man is, you know, all over the world, you know. He's coming all over the world.
The night, the way me inside the house, and I get a hose and I wet up the whole in bed.
You get a hose and wet up the whole in bed and what?
Wake up in bed and full up all them shoes and water.
And full up all them shoes and with water?
Yeah, because I can't beat him. Get back at him.
Because you can't beat him because him tick up and worry and can defend himself.
And he still have him gun.
He still have him gun, yeah.
Full up all them shoes and water. In bed and got my yard. It's my number.
And then that was it?
No, one day I did work. One day I did work and
Wait. Bring down the volume on your phone again, because we are still get the go on talk.
So one day me there work now, so some consultation, so some people are coming, come collect some documents.
Yeah.
Then they talk to a next girl in my profession. And I talk about a soldier who live on the road, them you live for, you know.
Yeah.
Lo and behold, she tell me that she used to talk to a soldier guy at the same time. And she tell me say, like she said, me start talk to him from in school, you know. But it's like she said, that she the date she give me at the same time when me and him start talk.
Yeah.
She said him and him forgot a ball, and she realized say, him tell her say nah, Kara. But the night there me and him go at the ball, so me I say, no, what go on? I mean I tell her say the girl live on the same road that me live on.
John, so it was him?
Yeah, him same one. So the boy have a girl up the road and me down the road, and me don't know say the boy attack to the girl. Me I say no, some I forget rid of that boy. Yeah.
John, no, sir. He's a player, man.
Boy full of girl like netball court, and him lie.
But you have to lie if you have so much woman. You have to lie if you have so much. Then I want him get the stamina for service.
Yeah, no, so one day me invite him on my workplace to see how him gonna react when him see the girl. So we have a party at Keep, and me personally invite him, and me carry him down the venue. Me carry him down the venue now. Me just time go meet her. I say, "Hi, this is Miss whatever." Him pause and him look at her like he don't know what she say.
Yeah.
Hesitate. So I just remember say one time whatever, the boy freeze. I wonder how me know all them business. But after a while, I just get tired of him and him bag a story and just leave him alone.
Some people ask a couple questions. One, if him short, and two, what month him born?
Him born September.
Wait, no, him not born September. Not September.
Him born September.
No, it's not September him born. You make a mistake. Go back. November him born, though.
September him born.
Him born down at the end of September. Him born the end of September.
The last part of September.
Yeah. Oh, so him a Libra.
No, him is a Virgo, sorry.
Him a Virgo? Him is a Virgo?
Him is a Virgo.
A Virgo man that?
Yeah, me tell say him bad like a foot. I say me left him. I left him all him go out and be in a club and him see it. He drive me down, me I tell you. And one day me and him for one you think a two criminal around one night. You drive me down stop. Me can't left. And at the same time now the boy have one like a baby mother, more baby mother. Not about baby mother they have, you know.
Him sound more like a November man to me, though, you know. But
September.
No man, them they get confused with him thing when him born at hospital and thing. And November him did really born and them backdate him thing, you know. Because
they're far from him because him feel like he was baby mother drama.
No. I am not like that. No, me sneaking back in the day, but me no stay so. And thing. In fact, me too nice. Yeah. But you survive the thing, B. Big up yourself, man. See?
Yeah, man, I left. I mean, I live in a different country. And I didn't stop. Called up on my phone. I said, leave me alone. The first thing go Facebook, him go Instagram. I don't know what left him read.
Aye, boy. Look at that.
All of my mind, I live in a different country. I said, sir, please leave me alone. Never add myself to the baby mother drama because I don't want to link up with them.
You see?
I keep my baby mother reunion.
No, because at that time you did that Jamaica, right?
Yeah, I did that Jamaica.
Yeah. So you know see it. So I have the New York baby mother, I have the London, England baby mother, and thing. You have the Linguistic baby mother, and you would be the Kingston.
My boy full of baby mother.
But I man not care, you know, and them man then a part of them thing is like, yo, I want to keep her, and something I go breed her.
And him, yeah, trust me, I'm in the hospital, I'll be able for next man. The man still come look for me.
For real?
Yeah, him say nah left.
Nah left. And when in the hospital, I'll be able for your next man, him still.
Yeah, next man, him come. My baby father put on one bouquet of flowers and he put a bigger one in front of my baby father.
He put one bigger one in front of your baby father bouquet, though.
Yeah. Yeah. So we can talk it over. But we could bother with the bag of baby mother drama. What's too much?
Yeah. All right, respect for that one there, yeah?
Yeah, man, respect.
Blessings, man, cool. What a piece of drama she go through with that them one day. Nah, man, I swear that them a son and tan, man. Blessing. Raga, you have a nice smile and an everlastingly seductive voice. No? You can't chat foolishly, see? Oh, please. Anyway, what me I say is, nah, man, I tell him, man, the dog sound more like a November man. Him sound more like a November man. A November man. Let me tell you something, man. The woman them tell me about the November man them. And me can't tell you as a man about November woman. November woman them can't satisfy, man. Them can't satisfy. Me not care if you're born November you want to come warm me and say nothing. November people, out of the 12 months out of the year, November people them are the honest set of people them. I don't want nobody argue with me about it because it's true. Out of the 12 months out of the year, November people them, Raga sound like October. I don't know what that means. November people them are the honest set of people them. No, them love it. Them just love it. Now, don't get it twisted though. The fact that you're the honest set no mean say you're the best pan Sato. Because Saji woman, December woman them Sato, wickeder than November people them Sato, you know? It's just that the November people them were more freaky than the December. Listen to me, I break down the things them right now. Right? So the December woman them Sato, you know, were better than the, and them Leo woman they too, you know. Boy, I tell you, them Leo woman there, you know, proper. The Pisces, them very romantic. Pisces women are loyal and romantic and thing. And the Taurus women, them too, you know. The Taurus women are more into, you know, love making than the crazy freaky something them. But the November woman, them freaky from yesterday till eternity. But them carry it well. They carry it well. Right? You see a November woman. First of all, I don't believe in these things, you know. I just tell you what me observe, right? So November woman, them will move classy, you know. You'd never know say a southern town, you know. But yeah, a southern town, you know. The December woman, them, who I talk about not true. Who I talk about not. What about Virgo woman? When I talk about Virgo woman tonight, one week when we do when we do signs and thing we're gonna say, well, all who not follow me now. Let me see, Roger. I'm soon all who not follow me now. 95,865. All who not follow me now. No, but this to me, hold that door. The honest, the people who want it all the time, man. November woman, me can't talk about November woman. But the woman them tell me say I saw the November man them stay to the Scorpio man them, man. The Scorpio man them. What? Not Lima said, not true. Raga, stop it. Me nah stop it. It's true. See, some people they say are true. Right? A woman I say are true. So Shelley say are true. Antoinette said Virgo is the best, but of course. Kimberly said it's true. But Kimberly, in November you born. I think me see you put in this November you born one time, Kimberly. Let me see. Katie, the realtor say. Naturally say it's true. Kimon Campbell say are true. But Kimberly born November, Kimberly. Yo, see, she should know. All right, she should know. All right. Yeah, man. Virgo to the world. Yeah, Virgo to the world. Chrissy like Kimberly and like the eye, me I look me a side eye. So Raga, you slept with every sign? I'm not a young man. Let's put it that way. I'm not a young man, okay? What about Gemini? We deal with that. We could deal with that like 1 week we're gonna deal with like, like Zodiac sign mix up, Hey, did have one woman, she called me show, and she tell me she go through March or April. Is it a March or April, man? She must have did 2 man from, like she does say 2 April man and 2 March man or whatever. And she did have 1 dog. And the dog go have puppy for the month when the 2 man them where she ate bad. And she just, them can't stay here, me not trust them. Me not trust none of them and thing and whatever. And she carried the dog them out the road. She said, carry the dog them and like she said, I better take them because them take them, I'm not staying in my yard. Them not staying in my yard tonight. And the people them must say, you're being ridiculous. These are puppies. Them just born. And like, what's the big deal? Calm down. You had your experience. It was unpleasant with these men, but these are puppies. And the woman, she hold her harder, man. She said, nothing we born. I think I'm March, She said, I know it's March or April, but she said, nothing we born pan that month they are staying here. And she said, them puppy not staying here, whatever. And people have to come take a puppy them and carry them somewhere because she mean it. Some people, some people, when do that month something there, some people hold it, man. Yeah, some people serious about that something them, man. You have some people, nah, you can't get them chat to certain people. And it's most of women who are like this, But you can't get them chat to certain people from certain amount. They're not going there, Yeah, March, wicked. Leo is the best. They're very caring women. Yeah, but them too revengeful and spiteful when they get them way, man. Leo women are just Leo. If a Leo woman into you, that's it. She into you all in, whatever. And for some reason, them back sensitive, No, for some reason, Leo women, them back, you kiss them upon them back, they just lose it. But Leo women are very revengeful. Now spiteful when them don't get them own way. Like, if things that work out for them, Leo women, man, they you see, the first said Leo baby said me hate your Raga, because you know it's true. Don't cross a Leo woman, Do not cross a Leo woman. Them no leg or nothing. Leo woman, them no leg or nothing. They will carry a belly fee of like, for those of you who are not Jamaican who listen to my show, when Jamaicans say carry a belly fear, it's like carry a grudge, carry, it's a term we use to say somebody they upset at you and they don't let it go. Like for years, Leo women will, they not let go till they get them revenge. Do not cross a Leo woman. And then Leo woman, them sort out up they do, If a Leo woman cool with you, she'll do anything. Yeah, man. You see from a you, and she'll feature you, anything or anything, anywhere, anytime, any style, anything. Leo women don't play. They can be a little bit too aggressive though, Sometimes, you have to a gangster with a Leo woman. And I'm telling you, all the Leo woman, them I saw them stay. Them want to take over and run things and whatever. And if you're not careful with a Leo woman, you just always have to brace and firm up on her and whatever and things like that. And sometimes a man, want to do that all the time, But Leo woman, them natural instinct is just to be kind of alpha with you, and you have to kind of boom. But if you man up with them, you know, them settling or them feminine, you know. But you can't be a look at idiot boy with no Leo woman and thing or whatever. Them a walk all over you, man. You see it. When I ask me, I'm not an expert on these things or whatever. Then somebody else says, so true. Virgo women are low key freak. No, man, Virgo women will do the something them, but them kind of. Yeah, Virgo woman not load up with it though, you know. Virgo woman them go on and thing. Them, no man, Virgo woman go all in. Virgo women are adventurous and them like when you mix it up. And they like when the man lead. Virgo women love when the man lead. And thing, and that man lead, if the man say boom, you so and so, them will jump in and lead to. But you know, Virgo women like confident men who take charge and mix it up and make it interesting and thing. But the Virgo women I know though, they carry themselves classy. You know the whole thing about a lady in public and so on. Yeah, man, if a Virgo woman secure around you or whatever and thing like that, she go all in for you. But she would just do what you want to do, you know. Anyway, hello.
Hello?
Yeah, greetings.
Raga, wagwan.
You know, some of I give thanks, you know, fully blessed and, you know, the whole works, though.
Yeah, me good. Me say like I've been following you when you were on the radio station.
Yeah.
And me say with there feel and with there and me say the way them do with Mr. Mason and with you and a thing when me like.
It's okay. It's all good.
Me know, but it and a thing when me like.
Nah, man, we're
Because
survivor.
today I live America and me I watch the old thing at Jamaica and me never like how the thing set.
Nah, man, we're a gangster, man. Yeah? When problem come up, we find
Yeah,
some way.
yeah,
There's
I
always a
know,
way, man. Don't worry yourself,
and
man.
I love it.
And I look
So
a fight
I
we
love
go
it
through,
that
you
you
know.
are back on here, and I love it that I can follow you, and I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it.
Oh,
And
thank
you are awesome. And a lot of these people who are on here
Uh-huh.
don't even understand all your things set.
What you mean?
Because them not know the thing from like back in the day and this and that and blah blah. When the whole thing where we say tambourine.
Well, a lot of people know. There are a lot of people here, they do know, you know.
Yeah, but Raga,
Yeah.
me have a PhD.
Yeah.
Me a ghetto girl like you. Me know the thing
Oh, I'm not a
set.
ghetto girl.
The
I'm not a
people
ghetto
them
girl.
not know
Yeah,
how the
I'm not a
thing
ghetto
set.
girl.
Them not understand.
Yeah.
I love it that you're on here.
Yeah.
I love it that people are dealing with you. I love it. I love it. I love it. And you cannot even believe how much I love it.
Oh, no, I hear the enthusiasm in your voice. And
you have no freaking idea what else me come from. Me say, me come to Jamaica, me meet you at New Kingston one day.
Oh, you did? You did? Oh, okay.
Lord of mercy, before me even get my Ph.D, me meet you there, so I me say, me love it.
All right, blessings.
And you were like an inspiration for me with getting through all that process.
Okay.
I love you.
All right, man.
The people them they are not know the thing set and them not know the whole thing. When you're gone, Johnny, I run the program feel. Mr. Mason, this and that, blah, blah, blah. Them not know all the thing.
Listen.
I'm just excited because a lot of the people here actually don't understand your impact on Jamaica's media and what it means and this and that. Them things here some clappy thing and a sorry thing set.
Seeing. Give thanks, you know.
You're there, you are big time.
Well, not really. Me good. I'm not big time, and I'm fine where I am.
No, don't say you're not big time, Raga. You are big fucking time. Are you kidding me? That is how we all knew about you. We there America, and the whole time, the whole of we there, and we all listen to Nationwide and this and that, and we there America. We never ever there Jamaica, and are you?
All right.
Bring we in other thing.
Seeing.
You not have to tell me nothing.
All right.
Me say me there.
All right.
I have a friend of mine who it was a Jamaican who was an engineer, and another one who was a scientist.
Mm-hmm.
And me say we there. And then me tell them, say, yo, there is this guy on Nationwide who is a thing, and this and that and this and that, right?
Yeah.
So then we come and we book a thing and this and that. I was there at New Kingston and I met you and you probably don't remember. And me say this a raga, and me tell them say this a Ragashanti, this and that, blah 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 blah. People don't understand, raga. I am not joking. Like, people need to understand. Like,
they do.
8 to 10 years ago, you were the person. Okay. And you were the person for people who were educated Jamaicans. And this and that. We love it. We tell other people we are this and that, and people there on TikTok and them don't know the things said.
No, it's okay.
Mr. Mason, this and that, people don't know the things said.
Listen, thank you.
I apologize for my exaggeration and just feeling so like whatever that you even added me, but you don't even understand. Like, yo,
no.
I was a grad student when you were at shit freaking like whatever.
All right, thank you.
And we loved you.
I appreciate it.
You.
Thanks a lot.
Loved you.
Thank you,
and
man.
Then them push you out, push out me that Mason, and then you are saying, oh yeah, if you live uptown and you're a helper uptown and you want this and that and blah blah blah, and then the whole of them decides to them, you think me no remember? Right. I am a qualitative researcher.
Right.
It's what I do.
All right.
I record stuff.
All right. Listen now, I want to thank you for your incredibly generous endorsement and your effusive. Hold on, and your effusive and heartfelt commendations that you have accorded to me tonight. I thank you so much, Auntie, and it's a pleasure to be here to entertain you, to educate you, and to just be a presence in your life, in your life and the lives of others. And I want to thank you for just being so gracious, in your gratitude and your observations about what I would think, you would consider to be my positives. Thank you so much, your darling. All right.
Raga,
Yeah, man. Take care. Yeah.
I was
No, listen.
following you. No. You need to stop. I was following you on Facebook and whatever before you started to like saying, this is gonna be too big. We need to do another thing and all of that. I was a part of that initial group.
Right. All right. But
I
again,
love you.
thank you, darling. Thank
I
you so much.
love
Yeah.
you. I love you.
Thank you, sweetie. I appreciate it. All right. Blessings.
All
Yeah.
right, bye.
Yeah, man. Bye. Love and blessings. Cool. Well, for the record, I just want you to know that I'm just really humbled and thankful for, people who, show me some love and things like that. And particularly if they're, as enthusiastic as the caller just now, I'm thankful for that. Okay. All right. I appreciate it. And one thing it was undebatable just now is how, enthusiastic she was about, what she perceived to be some of the pluses that I might have, So I never take that for granted. I never, ever, ever take that for granted, I love what I do. I enjoy this. Yeah, you have to enjoy this. You have to enjoy it to be doing it how long I'm doing it. And that should be obvious by now. It has to be fun. And that becomes obvious when I'm doing it too. The way I laugh and go on and keep up my foolishness and whatever. I can just be silly and goofy doing this and whatever, which is just a general part of my personality anyway and so forth like that, And then there's some benefits there. You learn a lot. You meet people. You have events. They come out and thing and whatever. And in the process of living, that gives meaning to my life that I like. So you have to like this to do it. But at the same time, it's a type of thing where you're only so good as the people who support you, That's the truth. Anybody you see, if you're an architect, you're in your corner, you're doing a little drawing. If you are an accountant, you're just balancing the books and whatever. But people in entertainment, people in, anything to do with showbiz and stuff like that, they're only as good as their supporters are, It doesn't matter who you are. You could be Oprah Winfrey. You could be Beyonce. Beyonce is Beyonce because of her supporters, right? The Beehive, right? Oprah is Oprah because of her supporters, So you're only as good as the people who support you. So it would be foolhardy and nonsensical of anybody in something like this to start taking for granted the people who listen to them, who watch them, who support them and things like that. So I never do, right? I'm not gonna make anybody come feast with me and style me because them a watch me or whatever. That's a different issue. So I'm just very, very thankful for that over the years. Again, I've been doing this for decades. And I hear how much people come. This one was a picnic. This one was a picnic or whatever. I'm a big one now. I'm married with 4 picnic or whatever. Yeah, I've been around the block for quite a few times. I've been doing this for that. So I'm just very thankful. So I'm a stamina daddy in this, Yeah, the stamina daddy. Yeah, so day and I juggle save me and I go on. So I give thanks so I can day and I feel them love you and whatever. And I never take it for granted and would never ever take your support for granted. All I know they are right now. All I know they are right, I know. Big up on yourself, see? And yeah, I kind of like that TikTok energy too, So we're going to build that thing and whatever. All right. Gemini, all right, get to girl rock. That was funny. Yeah. That was funny. Hello?
Yo,
Hello.
Ragashanti.
Yo, Wagwan.
Blessings, you know.
Yeah, what you say?
Today I go and build man and listen to the thing and I enjoy it.
Seeing.
Me have a question before me give you my
Yeah.
Yep, the lady where they get password. Earlier on.
How that go?
The lady was say she pass out, man.
Yeah, under the sort out, yeah.
Me never hear her mention say she did beard before she go over next man.
No, she did. You just never hear, you know?
Oh, me did curious about that part.
No, because remember at one point she said when she go over the next man and him convinced say no man never go there. You remember when she said, yeah, cause I do all it do it did wash out, me wash it out and thing and whatever and way and so forth and thing like that, you know. So
me never hear.
And then why was and why hey, we not easy, you know. So when you say you're lacking on that one, you say, me
lacking on that part that disturb me, you know.
That part that disturb you, you know.
Yeah.
Worse, you know, the general go give her that big swipe, they don't.
Did that have me away, man.
Yeah. When you say that have you away, don't.
Yeah, man.
When I want to be gross and disgusting, but you can imagine him. You can imagine somebody that eat and don't know who serve the food and who cook the food and who.
I told me here as well, like that before to be concerned.
How that go, what?
A woman tell me a story like that before somebody concerned.
Nah, I want to tell you that reach enough man and them don't even know, you know. Reach enough man and them don't even know. It sound yucky, but you know, you have some woman a punish man and do that, you know. Yeah, man, you will do a woman wrong, man, and you have woman who go do so, man.
And that's exactly what woman tell me.
That woman tell you she punish the man. All
yeah,
right,
man.
Yeah. And them go do so.
The man I know, you know. Him never know to this day, no know.
Him no know.
I just fear gratitude that.
And she just quietly have that in her thing and say, you go do me this. So she go do so with a man. The man left such and such in her hour, and she go back to the man who she punish and make him full in belly, you know?
Yeah.
Yo, that cool. That's so gross and disgusting, man. But no, man, a man get punished them way, the man, and the woman them just quietly say, you don't even know what a clock a strike. You come do me this and do me that. Yeah.
Yeah, man, me tell the man them go around, man, because they cool.
Yeah. That's why some man for those humble and start run up and down both the place and just easy, yeah, man. So what you saying night, you know? Yeah.
Me have a little small one, you know, but my own is so exciting.
Yeah. All right, turn down the volume on your phone a little bit. Yeah.
Let me do that.
Yeah.
How it sound now?
Yeah, look better now. Talk now, yeah.
Sound better?
Yeah, it sound look better, you know, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So me live a foreign and
yeah.
Me meet a girl. A yard.
Yeah.
Online.
Yeah.
So she come up here and meet me. I like the girl and thing. We have nothing in common and thing.
Yeah.
So I decide, say, you know, I'm gonna start being myself. I'm gonna settle down with that girl.
Yeah.
So when she come up here, I say, yo, I'm gonna want you come back and stay and work it out, and she do that.
Yeah.
Come back and stay. We get married.
Get married? Wow, okay.
Yeah, man, get married.
Yeah, man, okay, so, good.
Live together and she start work, get a job, she start work and things.
Yeah.
So one day, me get a message from my Facebook. The message said, tell your wife to leave my husband alone.
Tell your wife to leave my husband alone. Okay.
Yeah. Well, tell your wife to stop effing my husband. That's what it says.
That the message said, tell your wife to stop effing my husband. I would know what the effing mean. Okay, go on.
Yeah. Me don't want to get too
right. No, appreciate that. Thank you.
So, me I read it about 1,000,000 times. You know, I say, I want to joke with me.
Yeah, if I read it over. No, yeah.
Yeah. So, it's like the lady pick up say, me not take her serious.
Yeah.
So the lady tell me my wife whole government name.
Wow.
So me comes up bam now and confront her with it.
Yeah.
And she said, no, why you take me for nothing like that?
Yeah.
But me know who.
And
me and the brother are just friends. And nothing, are you think too much of it? Nothing like that. So we are going to where we are war about it now, because I don't believe what she said.
Yeah.
So the thing started to get bad. Where the relationship up on the line now.
Right.
So she decides she have to call the man to show me say I lie. So Raga, she called the man and she wild up the man and said, I thought we was friends. How could you tell lies on me like this? So same time now, the man wife grabbed the phone and the two of them start arguing. The man grabbed back his phone and said, yo, you need to put your big girl's drawers on and tell that man what we did. And start name out the whole of the hotel there where they go Raga.
Well on. In front of him wife, the man himself.
So that's why me didn't have doubt, because apparently the man telling his wife everything. So when she tried to tell me say nothing I go so.
Shall do that look beer face thing that like, you know, we just bring it up right, cause him have a deny it and thing and right. No?
Yeah. So when so me ask her, me I say, why the man would have tell lie on himself to his wife? Then fling down something else.
So hold on, the dog just got you all of the hotel them when them did do the thing and just read out the receipt them though.
The brother just read out the whole of the receipt them.
John, no.
So now she tell me she said, all right, I'm going to be honest with you. Him did a try out for me. And through we that got through problems, me did think about it. So me did go on at the hotel them. But me never go inside, so him never knows me did it.
You know, I want the week, yeah.
So we are back with it and a war over it. We still need a war over it.
Yeah.
No, we never mash up. Still a war in a war over it.
Yeah.
So she never go Jamaica for whole heap of years, several years. Well, what do you think of that? She never go Jamaica.
Yeah.
So we are war over the first thing gonna try. I'll counseling with what this boy that this to try start it out.
Yeah, for save the marriage, yeah.
Yeah. So she come to me one day and say she go to Jamaica go visit her cousin for her birthday.
Yeah.
Her cousin her birthday party. So I say, alright, cool. So ticket book and everything, she go down. So she said to me, say, babe, you go and give me some pocket money to go down. So I say, how much you want? She said, I'm not dealing with enough money, just a few days, $500. So I said, take it out of the account. So she go down and come back, Raga, you don't know what. When me go pick up the lady at the airport, when she come back, when she down there, come here, she did close. But I really have nothing bad to say that. We don't have problem with the clothes.
Yeah.
So when she go down there, we never get a chance to decide. Yeah, she dip on the phone. You know what? Yeah. So she come back up, Raga, and when me hug her at airport, Raga, I said, no, man. Something wrong, and I'm the same person this when let's go down. Something right.
Right.
So she don't move weird.
Yeah.
So me use sites and me said to her one day, I say, yo, text her. I say, yo, you think me not see? Say you talk, brother, on your phone and I send some text and the way you talk, I like your man.
Right.
And you think me never hear the phone conversation one of the dog, but me not hear no.
Right.
She
You just
cuss me
draw a
off.
card for her.
She cuss me off and run me away. So when she run me when me read, I say already. Okay. And me, I think tonight too much.
Right.
But me decide for double down. So later on in the week, me bring it up back. And I say, yo, no, me see you talk to this brother, I hear the conversation like your man are really, and at this point, you are just mash up this thing and you go about your business.
Yeah.
I got the woman hold on her head about 10 seconds. I lift back up her head and look at me and say, yes.
I say, yes, what?
She want to go her ways. She want to separate, go her ways.
Oh, okay.
So now, but me not have no proof or nothing. So this point now, me start fight for the marriage, but I'm alone. So, me I try to figure out a way go on and I talk to her. One day me come home from work and sit down. Here come Facebook message for me again, the second time around.
Yeah.
Me get a message on Facebook from a young lady in Jamaica. Say, I know your wife think that I don't know that. The whole time she was here in Jamaica, she was having sex with my spouse unprotected.
Okay.
So me sit down and I read. Me read it about 10 million times. Just I read it. Because I don't know the person.
Yeah.
I don't know what. I read over the thing. And it come like the woman and say, oh, him think I joke me. The woman send her a picture. When me look, and she and the next man me say hug up tight. So me get wicked and me send her the picture to her. Let me send it on first. She say, so me can't have friend? Me and my friend.
What you say? So you say, so I can't have friend. What is this? Yeah. So what? You send me a picture of me and my friend and thing. What's the big deal? What's your problem?
Yeah. So by this time we are war about it. But the woman start feed me all for information. Start send me back text.
Yeah.
Conversation what she have with the man.
Yeah.
And the man a fear man. So the man start tell her say, no, me and she best man before she even moved from Jamaica to foreign. And my woman.
The man say him and she what?
Him and she
there.
From before
she even left go foreign, before you did bring her up and you go bring her up.
Yes.
Yeah.
She had them from them time.
From them time so, yeah.
Yeah. So it end up going till it get bad. We file for divorce and thing.
Yeah.
So we file for divorce and while we are going through the thing take about 3 years. Everything finalized. And I start to somebody else. And she find out me start to somebody else. So when in Jamaica, she uses, I mean, me and she did on the phone 24 hours. I couldn't even figure out when she find the time. Raga, when she used to send me pictures, say, me and my cousin, them, they are beach and them thing there. So, me start get big on board now, because me see somebody else. You see the picture that she sent me with her cousin and her family on beach? She start post some different picture at the same time, at the same day, same occasion, same clothes. But she and the man.
Oh, but which part she post them?
She on her WhatsApp.
On her WhatsApp?
Yeah.
So then she not think you go see it?
No, she by this time, you know, what it is, she end up upset now, said, me have a woman. So she start post them, anger me or for hurt.
Oh,
the reason she wanted me to see them.
Okay.
So when we start matching songs with the Raga, because at night time, she dip on the phone and she down there. I say, well, babe, good night. I'm going to bed. But it looked like that when she tell me such a garbage that she dressed like puss barefoot underneath the sheet, you know. So she probably just take off the sheet when they hang up and gone and that gone, you know.
But why, if you and her talk good and she on the phone hours every day and thing like that, why would she be putting up stuff on her WhatsApp for anger you with another man for anger you?
No, this when she start put out the things them, and when we are go through the divorce now, and she said me have to somebody else.
Oh, okay.
So she went back for them for the old picture them.
Okay.
And she start post them. Because at them end up use that evidence when we are go through the divorce thing, and it file for infidelity.
Right, okay. So she just make you know say, you say all them time that when we did up on the phone, all them time I'm with that tell her hi babes, my going to bed, you know, good night. She just make you know so around them time they see them did there with that. Me and the man did that job up on the
one of the
beach.
picture them remember clearly.
Yeah.
Yeah, she did on the phone.
Wait, hold on. Everybody over here, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. We want at least 44 more follows before me leave tonight, all right? So all who are watching, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now, please, here? If you're not follow me yet, follow me now, please. I'm going to see if I can get at least 44 more for reaching 96,000 before me leave tonight, all right? All I want to watch, if you're not follow me yet, follow me now. So yeah, so I'm going to go through the divorce now and thing, no.
Yeah, man, I go through the divorce. It did kind of rough, but it done. It did everything.
Not to sound class, you know, like we in a classroom or whatever, but from the experience, you meet her online, you bring her up, you file for her, bring her up. Is there what kind of lesson you learn from the whole journey with her?
Reggae, me tell you something I learn this right now, I'm gonna be lying, but
okay.
It scared me more. Right now, me I go through my thing where we get old for cussing from who me I see now.
Yeah.
One of the cussing them will make it like say, yo, yeah, use your parts to judge.
Yeah. From from where you go through in the past, some of those
because when me don't know if me analyze it wrong, but my analogy of it was that when it's like so she that see the brother, yeah, and me and she start me feel like, and she turn around, she married to the brother now. So
she married to that brother there now.
Yeah. So I feel like say she does when she come up, she say, boy, I got a link to go up, you know. I'm gonna start you. But she stay longer than she want to stay because the child did get it.
Well, and she married him and bring him up a foreign now?
Him not reach yet.
Him not reach yet, but she married to him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it coming like there was, to me, I probably analyze it wrong, but I feel like there was other reason behind marrying to me.
That you were used?
Yes.
Yeah, you were used. So your relationship with your inner now, are you on guard to ensure that you're not being used by this person too? That's how it go?
Yeah, probably too.
Okay.
Yeah, probably too much. Cause so my time me in the wrong still because me probably on guard too. So my time me end up in the wrong.
Yeah, it's not unfortunate when people go through these type of traumatic events in one relationship. They either consciously, aware or unconsciously.
That's all the night when they get chopped for a green card.
That's how I chat and thing. But sometimes we bring over, like you say, you bring over some of them luggage there in your relationship, either knowingly or unknowingly, so. But it sounds like you're aware of that, and then you go, try work it out, because I just heard you hold yourself accountable just now, which is good, because you just said that sometimes you can be a little bit too much with your fears, where you bring over and things. So when you're being on guard in terms of protecting yourself, so at least you have that.
Cause even like the brethren them when they around me, they say to me, yo, done with the Jamaican woman, them, and that's the problem with the Jamaican woman, them, and I say, my youth.
Well, and that they must say just done with Jamaica.
Done with the Jamaican, find a woman and foreign. A Jamaican woman, me love Jamaican woman like me and a Jamaican Raga.
Yeah, me not give up my
Yeah.
Jamaican woman them for no.
Nah, give up the Jamaican.
Yeah.
Me will take the beat. Me will take the beat, but me rather take it from them.
Yeah, they're good Jamaican women out there.
Of course.
All right, well, big up yourself, you know, and just more life and more strength and thing as you go through, as you cut and go through. Here, sir.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man.
All right, man. Blessings, man. Cool. Well, it sounds to me like she use him, you know. Enough of that go on, you know. People use people for come and foreign, you know. 1 week we for do them there because we know so we're going to get enough of them there. People use people for come and foreign mix up. You do that, the place done. Anyone who do that topic there, the place done. And people, I want to thank you for hanging out with me tonight. It was fun. On this thing about you know, I hear Punchy every night. Punchy can't play every night. Here's the deal. I promise you know, I'm gonna play Punchy. You know what? I know that the shows are Mondays to Thursdays, right? So tomorrow is the last show for the week, right? So I tell you what, I'll play Punchy tomorrow night. All right? I'll play Punchy tonight. But this was a good night. This was a good night. I'll play Punchy tomorrow night. Adorable girl said, I'm at work. Thanks for the company. You're most welcome. Kimberly said, I can't watch my movie now. All right, Kimberly, watch your movie. You know. Karen Robin, kiss me, baby. There you go. Mwah. All right. Good night, good night, good night. Gemini be a mix-up in a night. Get a girl, Raga. That was funny. Oh, God. You know. Whoa, I think we just ay boy. Oh boy, nice, you know. Yeah. Good night, CBS darling. Raga loves you. Gemini baby, you see you can't forget that though. I say a word, man. Big up yourself here. All right. Maxine Omzi, I need a kiss. Oh, you need a kiss. So you see me go home. I look at the door there a while ago now. Karen Robin who says she want a kiss, and I go give her a kiss. Maxine, you know you want a kiss too. Well, you know, me not go broke your back down. Because then me go give you a kiss and one is a kiss and thing and before you know it, my mouth tired down. So, what's your sexy D? Do it, do it, do it. When you come into Illinois, I don't know. Usually people hire me to host events and I just go where I'm hired, you know. So we see how that go. Chi-Town, Chicago people, big up on yourself, you know. What if Jamaicans over there, you know? Not like I'm Scorpio. No worry, start it, Raga. Oh, I know. You remember tell about the Scorpio people? Don't want me not do it with no Scorpio where you can't, you know, go hold it, you know. Stephanie, send them one and tell them to share it, Raga. Oh, kisses. Okay. Raga, you must come UK. Again, I am in the UK regularly, you know. Well, relatively regularly, you know. But when I go there, it's to visit my friends, you know. So, and I tend to go there low key, you know, because, you know, sometimes if people know me, come over here, sir, come over here, sir, come over here, sir, come over here, sir. And then when I go there, I usually go there for like a 3-4 day or so or 5. And just hang out with my friends, you know. Yeah, I mean, I'll do a meet and greet in London. Yeah, I'll be open to that. I've done those before and they went really well, okay? No, I will do a meet and greet in London. I will. And that's a promise, okay? So I'll do that. All right, people, good night. I'm out. Good night.